Good morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. Just getting things set up. Never been to the channel before. Good morning. Those are trades going right now. Didn't notice what that is. Let me get over. Damn, I never did my memo. Fuck. All right, let's go over to here. Channel. Morning, everybody on YouTube. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Let's see. I have to get this monetized. We're going to call out about a dozen signals, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Give me just a second here. All right, it's cool there. Good morning, Harry Baines. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, Eric. Hope I'm well. Good morning, Larry. I forgot to do was go into Discord and tell them I'm live on Discord. Hold on a second. All right, now let's see where we're at. Good morning, D Nice. Good morning, everyone. All right, let's see what we got going on over here. So I think I have to do that. There was 200 people on TikTok, and now there is 4. How cute is that? All right. Morning, Tiger Thomas. Good morning, Garth. Buy, stop, fill in the gap, all 3 indices. I've already been in these since I told you last night with the everything worked out exactly as called yesterday. All 3 signals that I called out. 1-minute sell stops, a 5-minute sell stops, perfect 30-minute buy stops, triply perfect. That's what we're in currently. And there you go. Let's see where we're at with all the rest of this. Okay, that we can do. All right. Let's see. We can leave these up here. I do believe then the people can see those. Good morning, Joe and Cindy. Michael, AKB Big and can't say Malk. Yeah. Michael, I love you. Good morning, Kevin. Man, good morning. Alright, guys, not much going on. It's gonna pull back a little bit, touch our line right here, then go back up. We kinda missed well, hell, you didn't miss it. This 30-minute buy stop slash 1-hour buy stop was called out how many hours ago, guys? Holy shit, 24 hours ago? Hold on a second. What is this? 1 day ago. Let me go further back. Let's see when dun, 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 final call of the day. Perfection. Live trading. 417, and this is 418, right? Yep. Oh shit, I have the wrong day on there. Hold on. Let me go to my video and maybe I should make it the right date. Content. And then this is negative. Ooh wee, you know it's early in the morning. Oh good, I did put the right date. Thank God. Okay. All right. Where were we at? I don't remember. Thumbs up, please, on the YouTube video. That'd be nice. Good morning, Mom. Good morning. How are you doing this beautiful morning? All right. Um, let's see. I think Mom has been on a little roll lately. She's been getting, I think, 3 days in a row profitable trades, if I'm not mistaken, 3 or 4. Um, anyway, very proud of her. All right. So this is over 20 hours ago when I ended the calls. So these buy stops that you're currently in were called out 20 hours ago, just so you're clear. I love it. Yep, everything's working good. Had to restart my computer, Nightmare on Elm Street. Uh, I think we're golden. All right, here we go. Now, we'll be getting into all kinds of little buy stops as the morning goes on. Matter of factly, we have a buy stop right now. Buy stop, NAS, 1 minute. Fill in the gap, buy stop, I'd wait on that one. And buy stop, fill in the gap, SPX, which you can't take. Da, 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 da. Do, 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 do. Boy, it sure seems like it's about time for it to start flipping and come down, doesn't it? It's not overly far away. Yeah, yeah, yeah. See, it is too far away in the 15-minute 30. Okay. I say we need to be aware of a sell stop coming up soon. A little too far away for my taste. Alright. But in the meantime, here we go. I'm gonna whip through a whole bunch of, different, call outs. Mom is great. That's awesome, huh? Good morning, Clintonio. Alright, here we go. You're already in your US 30, and they are 1-minute buy stops, by the way. Matter of fact, I'm gonna pull these up. These are not current. These these over here. I'm gonna go ahead and write these out first for SPX US 30. I think I think therefore we're gonna go ahead and do this. We're gonna do a 1 minute. buy, stop, all 3, but that's just kind of generic. And then we're going to, uh, play 1 minute sell stops. I'll heading back down to where is that? To the, 15-minute line. Make that 15, so there's 30-minute lines. Ba-dum, 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 boom, boom. Let me see something here. Do-do-do, 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 do-do. Yeah, look at that beautiful play. I don't know how y'all didn't make money on that. That's all I'm gonna tell you. This thing played out perfectly. Played it better than a violin, and I can't believe I'm not. Yeah, so we're gonna do that. That's my current signals. 1 minute buy, stop, all 3, you have to take it. And then we're gonna play the 1 minute sell stop while heading back down to the 15, 30-minute red lines. It's just too high. We'll play the buys as they come up, not a problem. I got it. Yes, I see that. Buy, we got it. We're doing it. But then again, I'm gonna go ahead and, um, uh, just, that's for all 3 of the indices. I'm just gonna go ahead and, wait for this to flip because it's just too high. Yeah, we'll play these ups, got it, but then it's gonna start coming back down towards the 1-minute blue line, 5-minute blue line, 15-minute blue line, whatever, we'll just play those as come down. So right now, not a whole bunch going on with 3 indices. Gold's up next, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, oil, GBP, JPY. Good morning, up 2,000. Good morning, Metal Mine. Where were you yesterday? Were you here yesterday? Up 2,000, holding US 30. Awesome. Good morning, Wayne Bob Simple. Good morning, Affy. Good morning, Leela. Sorry, half dead at the moment. Yeah, me and you both, brother. All right. So gold. Here we go. Here we go. Pop. Gold 1 minute. Buy stop 5 minute. Buy stop 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop to the blue line on gold. Matter of fact, let me get another little box up over here. Gold 1 minute, buy stop to 5-minute blue line. Right, right. Gold 15-minute, nothing, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell, 4-hour buy, 4-hour buy, 4-hour buy gold. I think, what's her face? Kimberly called this out long time ago. And then it's also a 4-hour buy stop, 4-hour, 30 minutes. Alright, just wanna make sure we track gold. Alright, next, daily, Jack Crap, you missed that one by miles. You missed, you missed. Let me get rid of these little suckers. Next up, we have Bitcoin in the house. Bitcoin, let's see what Bitcoin's doing. Bitcoin, alright, 1 minute. Buy stop, 5-minute to the blue line and then hit it already. Damn. 15 minutes, nothing. 30 minutes sell, 30 minutes sell, 1 hour sell. 1 hour sell Bitcoin. 4-hour buy Bitcoin. Daily too late. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. Bitcoin, Ethereum. 1 minute, Jack Crap? Interesting, Ethereum's different than that. 5-minute buy stop. What is 1 minute? Yeah, 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop Ethereum. Where the heck's it going to? 15-minute. Yo, Ethereum just on fire, isn't it? 30-minute, 30-minute. Maybe a 1 hour buy. Yeah, that's a 1 hour buy. You're kinda a little late on that, not terribly. Let's see, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour. Do, 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 do. Do, do. Do, 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 do. 4 hour buy, fill in the gap. 4 hour buy, fill in the gap, Ethereum. Daily, nothing. Too late. Sell stop. Sell, monthly buy stop. That's Ethereum. XRP, uh, buy, and I own XRP. I'm not a financial advisor, but I do own an XRP. Do, 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 do. 15-minute, nothing. 30, 1 hour, 30, 1 hour. 1 hour sell stop. 4 hour buy stop. Fill in the gap buy stop daily. Weekly sell stop. Monthly buy stop. Oil, 1 minute, 5 minute sell stop. Where's it going to? Please say the blue line. Damn, we're not going to the blue line. 5 minute sell stop. Look at that 15-minute, just like yesterday's gold. Perfection. Wow. That is the only trade you guys need traded. I don't why do you guys ugh, I would say 8 out of 10 of you are doing fantastic. There's always that 1 or 2 that just can't follow simple instructions on how to damn trade. That's what you trade. If you ask me what you should trade, that right there is what you should trade. Our logo, personified, red, 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 green, red, red. What more do you want? Wow, that's really bad if you guys can't see that trade. To the blue line. Ugh, 30-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute sell. So it's a 1 hour sell called 4 hour buy stop, US oil, 15-minute sell stop. You're a little late for that. I can't help you on that one. Got that on daily sell stop, weekly, monthly buy stop. It's US oil, GBP, JPY, 1 minute. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. 5 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop, GBP, JPY. 4 hour too late, daily. Buy stop, weekly, too late, and I told you it's going to the blue line. I remember specifically saying that, and it's a monthly, weekly buy. ERUSD is in the house. ERUSD, 1 minute. I think it's going to its blue line. 1 minute sell, 5-minute buy, 15-minute, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell. 4 hour buy, 4 hour buy. Back to the blue line again, 4 hour buy to the daily blue line. Let me see something. And looky there, sell stop and Muta Chef, they're complete opposites. I don't know. I try teaching you guys too much. I think I should probably dumb things down. Weekly sell stop, there's your great reset for you. They're gonna let things rise up, and then they're gonna drop it hard like a rock. And when they drop it, they're gonna put in the dollar, and that's tough financial control over us. And that is a weekly, monthly sell. So daily buy, weekly, monthly sell on here USD. And that's everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think that's like 11 or 12 different symbols. All right. Now then, back to it. Buy stop, 1 minute US 30. NAS buy stop. SPX buy stop, 1 minute. Well, there you go. That was do 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 do. Oh, good morning, Keith Palmer. Man, you're a busy man. Good morning, Keith. How are you? Good morning, Leela. How are you? Uh, good morning, George. Good morning, Dr. Matt Spangler. I hope I don't slide your name every time. All right. We should already begin. The call outs that were made yesterday, to be clear, 20 hours ago, all three were 1 minute sell stops, 5-minute sell stops, the 5-minute blue line. Technically, didn't write that out clearly, but it was 30-minute buy stops. And you guys are currently reaping the rewards of the 30-minute buy stops right now. You should already be in it. How much should you be up? I don't know. pretty good amount. Yep, that's about what I'm up. Let me go back over here to the 1 hour and 4 hour. 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. Boy, is it getting tempting to sell these off. Boy, am I getting tempted. Boy, but I'm gonna listen to my own damn advice. I'm not gonna close it. See, now we're getting to the point where this is pretty nice. So the one you always wanna hear something funny? So the minimum I'm gonna make on this trade, the minimum number of pips I'm gonna make on this trade is 1,200, 1,300. The minimum I'm gonna make on this trade is 1,200 pips. I guess I'll leave it open. And the next one here is 700 pips. The minimum I'm gonna make on a trade is 1,200 pips. Jeez, man, Joseph. Oh, life is good on that one. Wow. Oh, hell, life is good everywhere. Da, 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 da. Just I really should reverse these. Instead of putting that down there, I could put that down there, then I don't have to show that. So give me 1 second here. La da dee, da da da, da da dee, da da do, da da da, da da dee, da da dee, da da do. Yeah, 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 I like the looks of this one. So, let's go up here. Well, where can I put this? So much stuff, so little time. So much stuff, so little time. Yeah, because that way you guys can see the current. I like that. I like that a lot. I do, I do, I do. Let's see if we can run with that. Wait, it's open a little bit longer for you. And da 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 da. I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna hold it right here for us. Okay. All right. Now, oh, it's getting sunny out. Wow, what do you know? Do 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 do. Yep, here comes that drop. Told ya. Told ya. I just knew the drop was coming. Here it comes now. Here we go. Sell stop, NAS 100. Watch. I just had to. SPX too. Let me pull this out of here. Sell stop. Just put it in. Can't hurt. If it comes down hard, like you're just seeing US 30 do, we'll catch it. US 30's in the house. Buy stop. You can chase this down, by the way. I'll do another entry for us. I'm doing my entry off the 5-minute line. US 30, 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop off the 5-minute line. See, told you it's gonna come back down. Did I not say we were gonna mhm. I was gonna say that. Oh, sorry, I left my old ones up. Just a beautiful call yesterday. Gosh, that was okay. 5-minute. Yep, keep it there. Yep, there you go. Let's go over to NAS. Do, 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 do. Still a 1-minute, 5-minute buy, but I don't care. I'm gonna take that every day when that falls down. We're at a 1-minute sell stop, SPX. We can watch that for a minute and see if it follows suit. Make sure with the US 30 over here. Oh, God, that's gorgeous. I should have put a sell in just for argument's sake. That was my fault. Should have did that, but US 30 is a little tricky with that business. Alright, and then we wait. Buy stop, 1 minute, all 3 indices. We're waiting for the sell stops to come through so they can come back down again to reload. The reloading is going to happen, and then it'll go probably back up again, but I am awfully tempted for the first time in 3 weeks to sell my US 30. I am really tempted, but considering over what is that, 14, 1,500 pips, and the least I'll make is 1,200 pips. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Do, 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 duh. Good morning, Shiro. Hope you're well today. Hope you are too, Shiro. Good morning, Alfie. Good morning, Dion. Good morning, Dion. Good morning, Miguel. Good morning, Paul. And Keystone. All right. Still in some trade. Eight, 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 eight. All right. I went through over a dozen different symbols. We're waiting for this little pullback. Oh, yep, here we go. Let me see. There's your. I'm not touching the sell on thing. I'm still holding my buys actually. On that. And then we're gonna wait right here for Nas. Bop 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 bop. Pow. BP. Do 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 do. We're still in our Nas buys. We're still in US 30 buys. We're still in SPX buys technically. Just so we're clear. I don't sell things until they hit my take profit, so I'm staying in. SPX, NAS is going up. That's beautiful. Buy stop, US 30, 5-minute buy stop. I would wait right here, right over the line on the 5 minute. You guys trade any way you want. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's what I would do. Do 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 do. And then let's see if we can pull this. Oh, look at little Nas go. I love it. Buy stop on Nas is in the money. The buy stop on Nas is in the money. Your buy stop on Nas is in the money. SPX is not. You have to wait. Matter of factly, let's do it right here. Trading buy stop. Boop, 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 boop. Put it above that mess so you don't get caught into anything right here. And then you can just wait for the sell stop if it comes back down. I'm calling buy stop 1 minute SPX. You're already in the money on the NAS buy stop. US 30, there's nothing we can do. You just have to wait at this point. Oh, unless you're gonna do the 5-minute buy stop, sorry. 5-minute buy stop US 30. Do, 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 do. Oh, look at NAS go. Look at NAS go. Beautiful. Let's see, what's our NAS? Buy on NAS is up over $1,000 now. No shit. Wow, that's fucking cool. You're in the money on your SPX, by the way. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do do. Do 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 do. There's my Naz's. There's my US 30. I'm gonna take my think I'm gonna take my profit off of that, US 30 yesterday, I believe. I'm gonna go ahead and close this one down. I have the other longer term ones open. I'm gonna close yesterday's. Hmm. Should I or should I not? Yeah, I've got the other ones running. Let's close that down. Alright, those are, I'll pull this down here. Do 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 do. Alright, we have a buy from yesterday on NAS. We have buys across the board on 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, sorry, and a week ago on US. Do, 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 do. I guess I'll leave that. Yeah, that's fine. I like how that works. I might actually trade out here with the whole thing open the whole time like you guys always want. Can't call anything on US 30. I just called you a buy stop on NAS. You're in a lot of money on NAS. Do, 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 do. How much? I don't know. This about 15, 20 pips. SPX also in the money on SPX. And US 30 is nothing we can do at the moment in time. 5-minute buy stop, US 30. I think we're gonna hit that 15-minute, 30-minute line, though. Let's see, we'll try out this down buy stop. Bop, 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 pow. Man, in the money, filling the gap. 1 minute. Here we go. Alright, I'm comfortable with those. Yep, yep, you're in the money on your SPX now. You can I don't see it. You can go ahead and close that trade down if you are, depending on where you entered. I don't know, about a pip or 2, that's all you're supposed to be getting. Buy stop again, correct. Buy stop before, correct. The NAS was a buy stop? Well, it was 3 of these buys. Yeah, these are your buy stops right here. Is a broken gap, but you can override that with a 5-minute. Boom, fill in the gap. There you go. 20 pips. Nice. 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 Can I move that here? Can't really do that. Sorry. That's my NAS. That's NAS from yesterday when I told you guys to do the buy stop 30 minutes, and we were late entry on this NAS, by the way. It should have been entered here a lot lower, and we would actually be up a good bit more right now. Actually, actually, you'd be up almost 100 pips. Wow. NAS and 100 pips, that's a really good call, actually. Actually, yeah. Alright. Good morning, ya. Nidal says, "Morning, Bitcoin far up 800." I'm sure it is. Let's see Bitcoin 4-hour. Yeah, look at Bitcoin. Easiest calls on earth. 28,124, 28,000 how much? 124. No, that's like 2,000 up since it originally went. 2,000, by the way. Look at Bitcoin going up, up, up. I do remember someone calling out Bitcoin to the 5-minute line there this morning, and then 30-minute, 1 hour sell, 4-hour buy. I mean, yeah, that was pretty easy on Bitcoin. There goes US 30 down. It's gonna go down and hit its blue line. Do. We still have buy stops 5-minute on. Which one of these is gonna follow suit? SPX or NAS? Ooh. Wow, that's interesting. Let's see if we can see US 30 go down to its blue line. Blue line, uh, US 30. Dot, 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 dot. Do, 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 da. Da dee. Da do da 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 dee. Morning, Don. Jimmy Hustle. Good morning, Jimmy. Da 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 da. Alright. Whew, I didn't do training last night because I lost my internet and I lost my phone, dang on Verizon. $120 a month. Can't even get freaking internet at the house. I'm in the country, whatever. Still kinda weak. So anyway, I had neither backup, so I had to go ahead and get another backup, Viastat or something. It sounds like a drug, doesn't it? Any rate, so I got, that being installed Thursday. That's another $150 a month for you guys. Yeah, me. But yeah, so that's gonna be the backup to the backup to the backup. And then that's it. If all 3 go down, I can't help it. I'm not dealing with that shit. And as it is, we're gonna have a, backup. Hopefully, I don't have to miss the, training anymore. Next training will be the following Monday at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. If you bought the program, you'll get an email, Prior to that was a link to a Zoom. You will not, get it if you have not bought the program. I'm sorry, it won't. It's called like do 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 do. Okay, well, if this is truly gonna go down to the blue line, I fully suspect a pullback on this chart. You'll see it pull back to the red line over there on the right, and then it will fall back up. It's gonna do it. Don't know, but if it does, we're gonna make some money on the way down to the blue line. That's how it works. You just have to be patient with it. Do, 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 do. Alright. Me too. My T-Mobile was spotty yesterday. Yeah, I don't know, Jimmy, why the heck that was. Crazy. And then, of course, I can't get regular old, like a fiber optic or something, so it's 100%. Nope. I live out here in the boondocks for nothing, so I have to get that Viesta? Whoever the hell they are. There's some kind of, satellite provider things, so it's gonna be shitty, but at least it'll be around, but at least it'll be around, uh, hopefully when the other one goes out. Now, if it isn't, I'm canceling their asses in 2 seconds. Of course, they're gonna charge me cancel, but that's a do, 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 do. All right, I'm gonna go over some training then. Not a lot. Good morning, Amy Lou. Something to something. Sell stop to the blue line for if we can get it. For US 30, and then buy stops on. Legs are actually sore. Good for me. Damn. Shit. Just checked outside. Why in the heck is it freezing out there? Almost looks like there's frost on my car. Anywho, all right, where were we? Yep, there she blows to the blue line. What's Nazi doing over there? Had a mind of its own, going up, 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 and away. Buy stop SPX, and you just made a little money on SPX. All the beginners should have made their 1 pip and gotten out. Buy stop SPX right now. Help help the downplay to the 15. By the way, I'm just gonna go ahead and say that I said buy stop, play 1 minute sell stops while heading back down to the 15-minute, 30-minute red line. That's not part of safe trade system. It's not trading. So, suck your totem. Goes 15-minute, 30-minute, 15-minute. There she blows. Now, if she pulls back up again, which she should, we'll be able to get back in that trade. All right. Let's just pull that. That's fine. Nothing to call there. All right, fine. We'll go hunting. Well, let me see something first. Let's see if we can get our scanner little people to see what we got. Mr. Keith, we're going to pull it open and show the full glory of this thing. We're going to make sure that we're on our indices. Anything flying? Nope. If you're on YouTube, you can see the full. There we go. GBB Chef, buy stop 18. So GBB Chef must have just happened about within 5 minutes ago. Pull that in so you guys can see it on YouTube and TikTok. There she is. So let's look at GBB Chef. Boop, 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 boop. What are we calling it? 5 minute. What is this? Yes, 5 minute buy stop. That is correct. Yay, the scanner is right again. Oh, look at that. I bet you 1,000,000 to 1 it had a 15-minute buy stop, and it did. Bam, baby. Look at that 15-minute buy stop. We got 37 pips. I hope you guys are really utilizing the scanner because this is incredible. Look at that beautiful little play there. 15-minute perfect, 5-minute perfect. Bam, baby. Look at that go. Oh, that's beautiful. Anywho, all right, let's go on and let's see if we have any cryptos in the house. We scanned for over 100 different symbols. The scanner is amazing. If you wanna do a copy trade, use the scanner. It trades just like me. Matter of factly, Keith has been programmed. We're a little well, we'll get there. Keith has so much on his plate, it's incredible. But yes, the blue line, I think I'll be, beta testing that later this week. And then, yeah, and then we'll have that rolling out to you hopefully in a couple weeks after that, within a month, I would think from now, maybe a little longer. These are our cryptos and nothing going on. Shoot fire. All right, nothing in crypto land at the moment. Stocks, obviously nothing going on, they're closed. And then, of course, you have your dashboards, your top 10. Do, 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 bam. Odds Japan really? AUD JPY. Let's see what that looks like. See if made another good call. AUD JPY. Of course, by the time I find it, it's gone. AUD Oh, look at that. EUR JPY. Woo! We are rolling. Alright, and doop. EUR JPY. Look at us go. Look at that little scanner move. Let's see. EUR JPY, they'll be on the bottom now. Here's Odge. Buy stop. What are these? 15 minute? 15-minute. Really? 15-minute? Oh, yeah, it is. 15-minute buy stop. Damn good call. Damn, that's a good call. 15-minute buy stop. 15-minute buy stop. Nice. That is gorgeous. 15 this is also Euro Japan. Correct the window on that one. Let me see if I can get us better calls, though. Still a 1-minute sell stop, 15-minute, 15-minute. It is a 15-minute buy stop. Yeah, no, that's a really good call. I made a really good call in the 30-minute too, in the 1 hour. Ha! Very good. Let me go back to Dodge Japan real quick. AUD-JPY, 1 minute, sell stop, yep, to the blue line, 5-minute, 15-minute buy. It's a 15-minute buy. Extremely good call, both of those. That's what I'm telling you. I can't watch 100 symbols. The scanner can. If you wanna get as close as you can ever get to getting a copy trade of my trades, get the dang gone scanner. Look at that. That was beautiful. Not beautiful. I didn't even see that on the other ones. Bam, bam. Boom, boom. Huh. Okay, well, any rate, let's see, top 10 for see how much better the top 10s are too? I just love them. And indices. There's nothing in indices? Oh, US 30 buy stop. Let's see. Wow, we're in that. Yep, there it goes to the blue line. 5-minute. Yes, it is correct. Look at those correct reads. Time and time again, correct reads. Jesus. Amazing scanner, and it's getting upgraded for free for everybody. Woo. We're gonna be trading blue line, I think within 2 months. Maybe even more. We shall see. We're having some growing pains with our partners, but we're getting there. Alright, almost to the blue line. Uh-oh. Let's see something with SPX. Anyone at all? Buy stop 1 minute, but I'm telling you, I'd be really careful. I'd be ready to go with that 1-minute sell stop in SPX. Couldn't catch US 30. Damn, is that thing shot all the way down to its blue line as called. Close enough, by the way, horseshoes and hand grenades and all that. We're gonna go ahead and call that one. Alright. Emily Richard. Good morning, Richard. Kevin just started using it yesterday, 10 out of 10 so far. What's up, Richard Lauder? Yes, it is totally amazing. Kevin just started using it yesterday. Oh my gosh, 10 out of 10. Congratulations, Richard. Yay. Anthony Villalobos. Good morning, Kevin, everyone. Good morning, Anthony. Not saying your last name. Villa Lobos. Richard Lauder. Just rode the US 30 down crazy. Now that's not technically a trade, Richard. That's just me talking. So you gotta be careful with that. Richard's over here playing ups and downs and ups and downs. No, no, you gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. SPX 1 minute buy stop, but I'm telling you, be ready for a 1 minute sell stop on that one. Way to go, Richard. Cool. Oh boy. We are on TikTok? Yes. Okay, cool. I am in long-term buys. Let me see, by the way. US 30, hold on. NAS, and I believe even SPX. I have an SPX there too. Alright, let's go over some training on how to read things, and one of them isn't this is not a sell stop to the blue line. That'd be the first training. It is not. Yes, I called it. Yes, it's going there and blah, 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 but that is not what we that is not an actual that is not. Buy stop, 1 minute SPX, unofficial sell stop SPX. Just throwing it out there to you. Bop, 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 bop. Alright, let's look at what transpired yesterday on US 30 and all 3 indices. Da, 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 da. I made some calls yesterday that ended up to be pretty good. So let's go ahead and see how I made those calls and how you guys can do it too. This is where I had left you guys off at, and, what we were calling was for a 1 minute sell stop down to the 5 minute blue line on all 3 indices. So when I left you guys off, for instance, on that, cost about 100 pips. And how I knew that was going to occur, because when you look at let me mark this little thing for us right here. Just right there. When you look at this right here on the 1 minute, you can see that we were in the sell stop phase, sell stop, and everybody was panicking, "Oh, it's going up. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's going up." No, it wasn't. All you were told to do, was this right here, this yesterday's calls. 1 minute sell stop, 5 minute sell stop. It was actually 1 minute sell stop to 5 minute sell stop line, the, blue line, but I did not write that out right, and then a 30-minute buy stop. You can see clearly that you had multiple times to enter in the sell stop, multiple times to enter it in on the way down, including even some dirty sells right here. So then when we were going down, let's take a look at how this looked. It was so cool. You're gonna go ahead and see that NAS 100 hit its blue line first, SPX hit it second, and US 30 didn't hit it till later. So they gave us this free US 30 pips. By the way, you're on the money on that sell stop. I told you, but that was very easy calls. That's how I was able to call the 1 minute, 5 minute, and then I knew that we're gonna go into the 30 minute because yesterday on all 3 indices at this time, we had a buy stop NAS, buy stop SPX, and of course, you're playing those right now, making all the money. Now in SPX's terms, told you it is a 1 minute official buy stop, but you have to follow the fact that US 30 was dipping. Boop, and there you go. And that's why we did what we did. So that was easy on the plays, easy today. I called the 15-minute, 30-minute line. I think we're gonna continue to go down further actually at this point. Just getting ready. In case this decides to flip up on us, we're gonna take this down a little bit and move it right there. Alright. Mm, 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 mm. Can we get a pullback? Yes. I really truly hope this is sell stop filling the gap 1 minute, to the blue line. I really, 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 really our sake do that. Our logo trades. Do, 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 do. This is what we're wanting for. Horribly drawn, but we actually have it correct now. La-di-da-di-da-da. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I'm so excited. Our logos are the correct colors. Ha, da, da, da. Thanks to Chad Worthington, and of course, thanks to my Fiverr guy who did all of them. He did one, and the Fiverr guy did the rest. Look, not as pretty, but that is a green up arrow, a red down arrow. Yay. I'm so excited. At any rate, you can go to safetrade.com to buy the system. $575, best freaking money you're ever gonna spend in your life. And do, 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 do. Look at that. It's improving, improving. Do, 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 do. I have a feeling it's gonna be a fill in the gap. Sell stop is gonna finish touching the blue line before we can get entered in. Eh, could be a wrong filling. Broken Bach on SPX. Bach is broken, is no longer an official buy stop. It is now turned into an unofficial sell stop, and there you go. As is buy stop 1 minute, NAS again. But again, I would be very careful with this. If you wanna do anything, you can put a sell stop in. Do, 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 do. Wait, I'm gonna put a buy stop in also though, because this is officially a nice strong buy. I'm only calling these sells because of, uh, US 30. Do, 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 do. Let's see. Um, because of what US 30 has done, and US 30 is gonna pull back up now and then come back down for us. That's what I'm hoping for to the blue line. Let's see. Now, can it pull up high enough for us to make some money? I don't know on that one. It seems to me, geez, it's so close. I don't know on that one. I can't speak. I don't know. No, I'm not comfortable making that call. Official 1 minute buy stop NAS 100. Official dirty buy stop SPX 500. Unofficial sell stop both. Waiting for a pullback on US 30, then I'll be able to make a call in for that too. Bop, 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 boppity bop, bop, boop, bop, boop, 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 bop. Oh, yeah, I forgot about that. That is so beautiful. Hold on a second. Da, 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 da. Hmm. Things that make you go, "Hmm." Let's put this over here. I've got some other things open. I'm so excited. No longer am I limited. And let's put up NAS over. Zoom. All right, guys. Anybody have any questions over anything? Concerns? Would anybody like me to go over anything? Do, 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 do. Boom. How fun is this? I might just hold back and do those times from now on. What time do we have? All right. I don't think we're gonna get a full enough back on that dang on US 30. Oh well. SPX will be my money maker for today, I think. Awesome, Eric. I hope so, buddy. Shash, 5 minute US 30 buy stop. Yes, Shash, you are 100% correct. As we watched paint dry this morning, just like it was on our skin. Da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Boom, there it is. Oop, and there's actually a picture. And this is what Shaz is seeing right here, and you can see it. Green, 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 red. Oop, I thing of beauty. I don't think we have any others going. It's so slow. I swear to God, I think I'm gonna start getting all my stuff done in the morning, coming back on around 9:30. Look at that. It's gonna do a dang on sell stop. Dang gone, dang gone. I think it's going to do a fill in the gap sell stop down the blue line. Dang on it. Really? Pull up, pull up, pull up. Buy stop SPX 1 minute and NAS 1 minute. Buy stop NAS 1 minute, and there is a sell stop filling the gap right here, but, damn. Let us in. And don't forget about the unofficial sell stop for SPX and NAS. Good day, Sir Allard. Good day, Patrick. I really have to change that, don't I? Oh, well, close enough. Horseshoe hand grenades and all that business. Pull up a little bit for us, US 30, please. Because man, we're gonna make some money. That thing pulls up and gives us any kind of version of a safety trade down to that blue line on a sell. We are absolutely 100% taking that trade. I don't care if you guys do, I am. Looky, looky, look who's 30. Wait, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, oh, what time is it, guys? Should I just go and come back later? 8 o'clock. Well, we have 30 minutes to maybe some fireworks. Any kind of news today, guys? Any kind of news at all? Any kind of news that we can actually fun with? Does she have any more drugs? I bet you I can go live here. Interesting on that. She rats out her friend. I saw that one before. Okay. Nothing happening yet. Nothing happening there. Oh boy. I would like to go over a little training. I can't go over the detailed stuff, but but let me go up a little bit though. Canadian news. Canadian inflation in 30 minutes. Dude, nothing offensive, but does Canadian actually matter? You guys are gonna get mad at me. Murdy's like, well, damn it. And US building permits. Murdy. There. Don, can you do monthly, please? Heading to work now. Absolutely. Come on, really? Building permit? Anything to keep us down, anything to scare us, anything to, ooh, building permits are gonna be low, so that means our economy's slowing down. No shit. Been in recession for fucking 2 years now. I don't know about you guys, but I've kinda noticed prices going up a ton on my groceries. Jeez. What do you want, monthlies? Monthlies, monthly US 30, jack crap. It's more important to be weekly, monthly. It's kinda late on that, nothing you can really do, to be honest with you. So US 30 is nothing. Monthly, NAS, it is a monthly buy stop. Monthly buy stop NAS. SPX, monthly buy stop SPX. Gold monthly. It's already had it. It wasn't filling the gap. Bitcoin, buy stop monthly. I don't know which ones you want us. Oh, I'm giving you all of them. Ethereum, buy stop monthly. XRP, buy stop monthly. US oil, it's a weekly buy stop monthly. GBJPY, it's a monthly buy stop to the blue line. ERUSD, sell stop, weekly, monthly sell stop. Unishift, weekly, monthly buy stop. So depending on how you wanna look at all those. There you go. Bippity boppity boo. Are we in the money? Are we in the money? Oh, looks like we're in the money on that little buy stop. Yay, the US 30 buy stop you're in the money on. I do believe you're in the money if you took that, buy stop SPX. La-di-da-di-da. You don't need a lot, by the way. This buy stop right here on US 30, you're up 11 pips. Where's my money at? Where is my money? I'm up $66 and $44 on my buy stops. Take the money out. This is not a buy stop long term on US 30 at the moment. I'm waiting for a sell stop. I only played that buy because it's bouncing off the, 30-minute or the 15. Let's see what's the 30. Yeah, it's bouncing off the 15. As called, by the way. As called, by the way. I just wanna throw that out there to you. I just you just kinda gotta go with this stuff. Sometimes you get a feel for things, sometimes you use system, whatever. In the money, again, $84, $62, $89, $101, $78. So I'm in the money on my buy stops on US 30, but I'm not gonna hold them. I will pop them out in 2 seconds, and then we're gonna go ahead and put in some sell stops again. Do, 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 do. You guys are just probably having a heart attack. You don't have to do this. This is called hyper trading. This isn't what you guys need to do. Do, do, do. But I am absolutely 100% gonna take this. This forms into a sell stop to go down to the blue line. I'm taking it. Don't care. I'm taking it. Have you already closed yours out? Ho, 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 ho. Oh, boy. What'd I say? I'm taking it to the blue line. Da, 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 da. Ah, I did a dry fast yesterday. I don't know if you guys know what that is. Naz, 1 minute just in case. Patrick, what's the cost? Can you do a cost on the weekly and monthly? Huh? Oh, maybe I do a cost. What cost? Can you do cost on weekly, monthly? What? Don, I'm not following what you're asking, brother. Good morning, Shannon Ivory. Good morning, Ali. Birdie. Thanks, yeah. I was just mocking the whole building permit thing. All right. Buy stop, 1 minute unofficially, um, US 30, and then it's gonna form us a beautiful sell stop here in a minute. 1 minute buy on NAS, 1 minute buy on SPX. And the reality of that is that I'm calling unofficial sell stop for SPX and unofficial sell stop for NAS. You guys do with that knowledge as you want. Let's just wait for US 30 to arch back up here to and give us a nice sell. What we're waiting for specifically, I will draw this out for you, is that in particular, this particular, we call this the BS indicator, uh, fake indicator. This will turn green. If this turns green and we stay red while this stays red and this is going blue line, I'm entering that trade 100% of the time, and I'm gonna enter it 20,000,000 times on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, including 20,000,000,000 times on Monday. So let this go up a little bit higher. Do, 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 do. If you want, you can split the difference, put a sell stop right down here below where you're at. Let this go up a little bit higher now. I'm praying this indicator right here turns green. This is our BS indicator. This is the indicator that shows when they're trying to fake us out to do some silliness. And everything else moving like a snail. I've already called out 12 different, calls. Actually, we did more too. We did those other guys, so I'm up to about 15 different symbols call out because it's like watching paint dust. Ah, I don't even know why I'm on this early. I think I'm gonna start going out a little bit later. Oh, if I see something for sure for you guys in the mornings, I'll flip on. Oh, but I think I'm just gonna do my Wim Hof, do my, lifting, get all that shit out of the way before I have one person I'm training today. I'm training a friend from 45 years ago. How old are we, Glow? Well, maybe not 45, at least 40 years ago. Glow's his name. Well, that's not his official name, obviously. He's gonna be learning the system. I'm very happy, very proud for him. Very, 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 very buy stop on your, SPX, by the way, as we're waiting for paint to dry over here. The SPX buy stop, you're in either already in second time and you're already up a pip or not. Your sell stops you put right below this mess right there. This is officially a 1 minute buy stop SPX, officially a 1 minute buy stop NAS, and we're waiting for an official sell stop on US 30, and I really wanna see this sell stop. I really, 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 really do. I'm so excited to be our first bigger money. By the way, to be clear, all the calls I made out yesterday, All documented in the YouTube videos. All 3 of these were what I call this is exactly what I wrote out here. 1-minute sell stop, 5-minute sell stop, 30-minute buy stop. You're currently in a 30-minute buy stop on all indices. You already made your money. Look at the money you made on US 30. You'd have made over 100 pips on US 30 if you'd have listened to that call. NAS, kind of, you already are. You're making so much money on this call. It's crazy. You're up over 100 pips on the NAS call US 30. On SPX, you're already up over just so we're clear on all the calls 24. So you're up over 220 pips just off the calls I made yesterday, the last one, which was, the 30-minute buy stop. The 1 minute and the 5-minute also paid over 200 pips, just so you're clear on everything. I don't want any misunderstandings on those calls. Currently, whippity boppity boo, you should already be sold now on your SPX. Your NAS right here. Buy stop, not doing shit at this point, not even engaged. US 30 right here, waiting for this to go up a little bit higher for this thing to turn green right here. When this turns green, woo! If we can get it up over that red line right there, just up and over a little bit, woo! And I have long-term buys on SPX, NAS, and US 30. 2 on US 30, I believe. Okay, that's where we're at. Good morning, user 1169767697676. Good morning. Cornelius. Good morning, Cornelius. Morning, Eve. Good morning, Eve. Good morning, Cherry Jose. Good morning, Jose. It's not our Jose. Some of those cost. My bad. Costco. Do Costco. I think it's there. Good morning, Armando. Cool name. Wish my name was Armando. Armando. All right, still going up. Still. By the way, I bet you made the money on up $97. Yep, there you go. Now, I wouldn't hold. You're in the money enough to close down your trade on SPX, and then I will look at Costco. Armando, no, not Armando, right there, somewhere in that range, whatever you wanted to do. Yep, you're up over your pip. Absolutely. I'd close that down. If you have 2 up and 1 up, close the other one down. Do, 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 do. Come on. Oh, is it gonna be in fill in the gap and only close down before we can get to it? I don't know. Let's leave that open. Costco, do we have it? I'm sure we do. Symbol sounds big enough for me. You have to go under stocks. Costco, we do. Nope, Cisco. Oh man, that was a robbery. I can't do Costco, it's not here. You can see clear are you on YouTube? Yeah. The C's are Citigroup, Commerce Bank AG, I'm sure that's a German bank, right? Cisco Systems, Chevron. That's it. Oh, well. That was kind of a rip off though, was it not? Cisco. It looked like Costco. CSCO. Oh, well. Anywho, sell stop, fill in the gap to the blue line. Yeah, that's gonna suck. Let's pray that this is not what it looks like and that this is actually gonna hook back. Okay, paint drawing. Alright. Richard Graham, good morning. Good morning, Pablo. Pablo Lee. We're about to make some money if we can get a little more pull up. Boy, I don't think we're gonna. Come on now. Can we have this any slow? We're not even in the summer and it's slow. Isn't that crazy? Damn. All right. I still say unofficial sell, by the way, for SPX, unofficial sell for NAS. If you made your money in SPX, you should sell and get out of that already. You should be up a pip, pip and a half, more than enough for beginners. Nothing you can do on you shouldn't even be engaged on I never hit NASs. For mine, I never hit my buy stops anyways. My short-term buys, I'm already in long term. All right. Waiting, waiting, waiting. What else can we look at? Something here. Ooh, yeah, is it gonna ooh, I think the next minute here, you're gonna see that punch. Oh, well. Within this from this time period to a minute and a half, I think you're I wish please go back up. Please go back up, up, and away. Up, up, and away. What did my brother send me? You missed call. Good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night, good night. Da-da-da-da-da. Unalive, my brother. I don't know why this phone became obsolete here. Do, 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 do. He knows better too. I shouldn't call it that time. Silly man. Silly little man. Chicks are for kids. Oh, good. Are we gonna get a little please go up. Buy stop 1 minute. SPX officially. Buy stop NAS 1 minute officially. Unofficially, both those are sell stops. Waiting for US 30 to rise up a little bit more. Come on, US 30. Wow, this is even putting me to sleep. Good morning, bootlegger. Apple, please. Look at Don. Don wants to break the stock market this morning. He loves those little stock market things, little, things. Matter of factly, which ones you want? Apple, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Tesla, Airbnb, Amazon. We don't have Apple. Huh. Wow, that is interesting. I'll keep on that one. Symbols. Let's go over here to stocks. Apple. Do, 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 do. It should be on our bottom now. Buy stop. Official buy stops SPX, NAS. Waiting for a well, technically, it depends on how aggressive you wanna get on your buy stop for, US 30, but I'm waiting for a 1-minute sell stop for US 30 here. Yeah. Apple, Apple, 1 minute buy stop, fill in the gap, 5-minute, negative. Oop, let me get rid of this. It was a 5 minutes, so that you're a little late, but that's no big deal. Oh, yeah, 15-minute buy. You're definitely late. See the difference here? Green, 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 red, green, green. Should have put your buy stop in already, but whatever. 30-minute fill in the gap. It was 15-minute, 30-minute fill in the gap. Yep, there it is again. There's your 1-hour buy. Yep. Look at this. 1-hour buy stop went straight up. 1-hour buy stop went straight up. 1-hour buy stop went straight up. Gee, I don't know if you guys should be playing the 1 hour, 4 hours or not. Remember, I'm training you on the 1 minute, 5 minute only because that's like a fast motorcycle or a fast car. If you're going 100 miles an hour, which is the equivalent of 1-minute trades, you can imagine how slow these 1 hours are, by the way. Oh my gosh, none of you guys would have patience for that. Any rate, then you go to the 1 hour, 4-hour trades. Holy shit, it's like it's slow motion. It's like it's literally you think this is slow? You wait until you trade 1 hour, 4 hours. It literally took 20 hours yesterday for the trade to develop on the 30-minute 1 hour that I called out. 20 hours for it to pay off. Good luck in your guys' patience. Oh my god. Get real. Apple 4-hour, daily, 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 nothing, weekly, buy stop. Look at the weeklies. Look at the weekly buy stop. Boom, it went up. Look at the weekly buy stop. Boom, it went up. Yep. Monthly, too late. Sorry. So I don't know. There's really not a good bunch of plays for Apple at this moment in time, to be honest with you. You're a little late on the hourly, kinda late on the 15, kinda late. I mean, that 1-minute buy, sure. Where do I think it's absolutely gonna go, though? Let me see here if we can get any probably gonna be way above yeah, it's way above everything. I wouldn't play it, but you do what you wanna do. Let me see the daily really weekly? Personally, this shit's all overpriced. I think Apple it's buy stop 1 minute, buy stop 15-minute. Personally, I don't buy that worth of shit. I think it needs to pull back down a little bit. I wouldn't play Apple. I would wait. Out of control. Do, 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 do. Bam, bam, bam. All right, let's make some money if I can get anything to move out here. What the hell? This is playing out like a fucking holiday. Let's hope something happens at 8:30. Let's hope we have, in 12 minutes, we have housing news and ABC News. We have housing news and did the, Pope sneeze today news at 8:30, coming quick. Did George catch a fish on the lake news today, live at 8:30 AM Eastern Standard Time. Buy stop 1 minute officially, SPX, NAS. I don't know what to tell you. Unofficial sell stop, though. I am just got that feeling, just like I did with I actually oh, yay. There we go. Whoa, there we go. Sell stop, US 30. It's not ideal, but that's close enough to where she's hanging eights. You can either take the play off of the high, to keep going up if you want. I want it to come above this line. Did I already draw this out? Yeah. I want this to happen right here. We're kinda halfway there. This is horrid. I want this to pull up. Oh my goodness. Oh, you're in the money again on SPX if you're taking this trade. Again, sell after a pip. You don't need to stay in long. Let's see this arch up and over right there. We got our first part. We got our green sell stop. Now I'm in some buys on US 30. Don't make a mistake about this. But if you can grab this out of here, but I would put it, well, how aggressive? Well, I don't get too aggressive US 30s. That thing will take your ass out. Sell stop right here. And then buy stops on NAS, buy stops on SPXs. I do believe your XPX is in the money again. I'd have to go look at mine. I have no idea. And then just sell if you're up a pip. Take it and run. A pip. Yeah, I'm not talking about points. I know what they are. A pip. A pip. A pip. A pip. A pip. You're right. Boom, baby. Sell stop. Boom. Let it keep going up. By the way, I'm in a buy on those. I keep telling you that. You're in the money for sure on your SPX. You're about to be in the money on your NAS right here. Yay, a little movement. Yay. You're in for absolute sure. Let me go over to SPX. Hold on. There we go. Look at it go up. Look at it go up. Ah. Bam. Let's go over to SPX. All depends on where you entered in at. Yeah, it's close enough. I would take that dip, run. There's no need to stay in it. I'm in long-term buys and sells on these. US 30 oh, that's NAS. NAS buy stop officially 1 minute. SPX buy stop officially 1 minute. I still say keep an eye out for a sell stop coming up soon. We absolutely have a sell stop now forming beautifully on US 30. That's this thing right here. Pull up over that red line, boy, and I'm gonna jump all over that shit. We do have our green little box, though, that we called out. Yay me for drawing that out before it happened. Yay. How cute is that? And then you just kinda wait. We could check gold again. Alright, let me get this out of the way. This back down here. Alright. Good morning, bootlegger. Good morning, Pablo. Already said that. Wow, even you guys are bored. Alright. We're gonna get some money, though. You mark my words. Let's hope for a beautiful housing news of report of people who bought things on Thursday that went over to Costco report out at 8:30 make our charts move. Right now, they're literally I should have never came on this morning. I should have just stayed asleep or did all my workouts and Wim Hof breathing. Oh, buy stop, by the way, you're in the money. Buy stop, SPX, you're in the money. That NAS, I'm pretty sure you're in the money if you haven't engaged it yet. SPX, absolutely in the money. US 30. Now, if you did the bounce off like I did right here, fill in the gap, it's a 5-minute buy stop, off the 15-minute line. You can get some money off that trade by all means. I'm still waiting for the pullback, though, and let me see something. $111 and $85 on my 2 buys right here. $111 and $85. I also have worked in here some sell stop. I'm gonna have to ditch those evidently. You are absolutely in the money on your SPX. Uh-oh, don't forget about the great news coming out. It's gonna be the news of of Mexico's, number of people who bought, uh, cantaloupe on Tuesday news. That's what it's gonna be. Sell stop, US 31 minute. It's going to be that news right there. That's what's gonna come out, and then it's gonna cause the market to collapse because there's not a lot of people that bought cantaloupe. Oh my god. News. Give me a break with news. I can't wait till y'all are freed of all that silliness. All they try to do is keep us in, red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. I prefer it to go above this line right here, then that's perfect, but we don't always do what we want. Made over $100 on 2 different buy stops on the way up, and I have currently long-term buys on SPX, US 30, and NAS. You are absolutely I wanna hear it. Don't even say anything about this right here. You're so far in the money, you better be up your 1 pip, 2 pip, 3 pip, whatever it is. Buy stop, SPX. All beginners should sell unless you bought more than 1. You can sell 1 at 1 pip and then open up or keep the other trade open. That's SPX. You're in the money on SPX. Don't even talk to me otherwise. Buy stop, NAS, you're probably not in any money or not very much, but that yeah, SPX, you're done, finished. US 30, sell stop. Boop, 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 boo. There it is, look at that. That green looks like that green. What do you know? And there it is. Doot, 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 boom. Doot, 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 boom. Alright, anybody have any questions over anything? 'Cause it's better to talk than watch paint dry. I'll call it a few more again, that's fine. Good morning, OG. Anybody on TikTok have any questions? Anybody on YouTube have any questions? Bop, 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 bop. Alright. Let it go up a little bit higher on our, US 30 so it arches up over the red line, that'd be preferable. I'd still put some sell stops underneath there though, wait. Cody Scheffler. Good morning, Cody. I'm Missouri. I'm never trading anything less than 15 minutes. Well, that's good, Shannon. That's old school, and that's cool, that's good, but yeah, that's not applicable anymore. You're in the money on your 1-minute, SPX, but you trade anything you wanna trade. If you're comfortable on 15 minutes, trade 15 minutes. I called out 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hours. You can literally see the buy stop. Here's your 1 hour, you should have entered in here. If you did, you'd be up, 35 pips. This is SPX. Put you're in the money again, take that money. You can clearly see a buy stop right here on the, hourly, right? Look at all that, and we were in this one, by the way. We're literally up 130 pips on NAS. We're also in US 30, which, by the way, is also coming back, but that US 30 one was just cold. We're up over almost 200 pips on that one, and that was clearly a buy stop, easy peasy, all day long, just easy money. Speaking of easy money, let's go back, and I'm in those buys, so you gotta let that arch up a little more on US 30, nothing we can do. You're looking at an easy peasy 1 minute. Everyone humanly possible who took this trade, look at SPX and NAS go up before your very eyes. You're in the money on SPX buy stop. You're in the money on your NAS buy stop. We just did these trades, 9 pips. Doesn't sound like much, but professional traders only make 10 pips a day. SPX, you're in the money. NAS, you're in the money. Let's see if we can get US 30 to go up a little bit higher here. I mean, US 30. Look at it. Look at it. Bam, baby. I like that. I forgot about that one indicator. I'm glad I got that back. SPX. Oh, you're in the money. NAS. Oh, who's in the money? You're welcome. And I still say keep an eye out for that dang on sell stop on 1 minute. It's gonna come. You watch and see. You're too far away. They gotta flip back around here. Well, US 30 did. The rest will follow. Alright. Shannon Ivory, SPX. Yes, ma'am. Here's a question I don't believe you've been asked before. That little timer up in the right corner, how do you access that? Richard have been asked that 1,000 times. It's on the Discord. It's tagged in one of those things, whatever you call that thing. It is on our Discord, which you have access to only after your training. Oh god. That was a bit messy yesterday, but I'm glad we got through it, and it was our first time, and that will never, ever happen again because there are never anyone accessing our training without ever again, without being on our schedule. That'll never happen again no matter what. I don't care what anyone says, it's not happening. 'cause all it did was screw everything up. Oh my god, that was a mess yesterday, but that's okay. Live and learn, I say. Alright, here we go. Who's in the money? Who's in the money? La, 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 la. Oh boy, I think US is gonna flip without going. Mhm. Sell stop, US 30 to the blue line. Already made your money on your SPX buy. You already made your money on your NAS buy. Macaroni. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, we'll sit here for a second. I'm gonna check gold real quick. Do, 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 do. 5 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy, 30 minute sell, 30 minute, 1 hour, 30 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Boy, Kim Harrington's gonna be really happy with that one. It's about to come true too. 4 hour buy about to be that's gold, nothing further on that. Bitcoin, boy, did we make some money this morning. Mhm. Someone called the buy stop out early this morning on Bitcoin to its blue line, through its blue line, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour buy stop. Look at the 4 hour buy stop. Gee, guys, here was a 4 hour buy stop. It went up, 4 hour buy stop, 4 hour buy stop, 4 hour buy stop, 4 hour buy stop. Hmm. Things that make you go, "Hmm." You'd have been on the Bitcoin at 29,000 at this point, 29,800 and whatever the heck it's at now. It actually won't go up there anyways. I stopped 4 hour Bitcoin, daily too late. I'm sorry, daily still going to its blue line right there, my bad. It's a buy stop there. You're back in the money, by the way, on the rest. Let's see here. Well, please let US 30 go up, please. Weekly sell, monthly buy Bitcoin. Ethereum, 1 minute, buy. Ethereum's been on a tear. 5 minute nothing, 15 minute nothing, 15, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour buy. A little late, like I called it out a little bit ago, 1 hour buy stop, 1 hour buy stop, 4 hour film gap. It's gonna go up a good bit actually. Daily, it's already hit its blue line. Weekly sell stop, Ethereum. Monthly buy stop, Ethereum. XRP, which I own, I'm not a financial advisor. But if I was let me put this open for you while we do that. 1 minute buy stop coming up, which is already called, by the way. This 5 minute was already called. You already made a shit ton of money. Wow, you just called that. Wow, that's really good. 15 minute nothing, 30, 30, 1 hour nothing, 4 hour, 1 hour, 4 hour buy stop. It's just like it's XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin. They trade on higher time frames 100%. But at any rate, daily back. I told you it was gonna go back to the daily blue line. It was a 4 hour buy stop to the blue line, which it is. Daily nothing, weekly sell stop, monthly buy stop, just like the was GBP, JPY. La diddy da diddy da. 1 minute, nothing. Oh, can we call it? Yeah, go take it. GBJPI 1 minute to the blue line, but it's kinda already hit it twice, 3 times, 2 times. Sell stop, 1 minute to the blue line, GBP, JPY. 15 minute, 15 minute. 15 minute buy stop, GBP, JPY, 15 much stronger on that, by the way. 15 minute buy stop, 30-minute fill in the gap buy stop, 1 hour. Daily, nothing. Weekly buy, and it's gonna be going to its blue line. Weekly buy, monthly buy to the blue line. That's what it's doing there. Doot, 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 ERUSD. Go peoples. Where's it at? ERUSD. 1 minute. Jack crap probably going, "No, it's already passed it." Interesting. 5 minute buy stop. Oh, that's why. 5 minute buy stop, easy peasy. Boy, you guys are making money on that SPX and NAS. Whoa, I bet you it's gonna go up. Hold on. I'll be right over to the indices a second. 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minute, 1 hour buy, 1 hour sell, 1 hour sell. 1 hour sell stop ERUSD, 4 hour buy stop, which you're already in so much money. Called this trade out back on February the 14th. It was a buy stop to the blue line, which it hit twice. Weekly sell stop. This is exactly what you're looking at with the great reset. Red, 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 green, red, red. They're gonna let this march up again some more, then they're gonna have it come tumbling down. The tumbling down part's gonna be funny. It's gonna be horror. That's what they're and by funny, I mean terrible. They're gonna bring in the digital dollar because of that. Now, let's go back over to our little things. Who's in the money on SPX? 1 minute buy stop. Who? Who? Anyone out there? Anyone at all? SPX in the money. NAS in the money. man. Holy shit. I hope you guys caught this. You're up 17 pips now. US 30. Ooh, we got exactly what you want, but man, I'd be careful because this to me is a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop US 30. Be in the trade. 1-minute sell stop US 30. I'm still gonna try put these in. I have to do it. Have to do this. I don't believe we're gonna engage it though, but I'm doing it anyways. I'm putting these here. Just because you put in a trade doesn't mean it engages it. That's the whole point of why we do these sell stops and buy stops. 1-minute sell stop. That does look good though. That is a boy, I'd be ready. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. Look at that. I'm in long-term buys anyways on this, so I'm gonna play this sell if it comes down. It is just too pretty though. I just really I would be exactly as I'm calling. 5-minute, 15-minute buy, 1-minute sell at US 30. All I can call on NAS is this. You already were in a buy stop. 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 I called these 30-minute, 1-hour buy stops 21 hours ago. I called the SPX 21 hours ago. It's in the actual, YouTube video, and I love when I pull this up, although I think I know you guys right here. This is the video right here. To be specific to you, we'll come back down to it. Boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop, boop, bop. Here we go. 22 hours ago to be exact. This is the video where I called these out for you. You can see it in the video itself when you go there. Da, doo, doo, da, da, doo, da. What does it say? 22 hours ago, 500 people saw the calls. They're actually written out right here. You can see all 3 of them came true. It went down, went up, went down to the 1-minute, went down to the 5-minute, and went up on the 30-minute. These were called out in this video. You can go back and watch it yourself. Feel free right there. There it is. Those are the calls. Love it. So you guys should either be in the calls, bet in the calls, stay in the calls. I don't know what to tell you. But if you guys are in this trade and look, see it coming down? If you guys didn't take your 3 pips when you're supposed to take 1, that's greedy and pips get slaughtered. If you just didn't take look, it's coming back down. If you just didn't take 20 pips on NAS, that's being greedy, pigs get slaughtered. Didn't take your US 30 sell, which is right here. US 30 sell. US 30 sell stop to the blue line. Nothing I can call on SPX at this point in time or US 30. I mean, or, NAS 100, can't call it. It is a fill in the gap, buy stop on both. NAS, fill in the gap. Yep, that's all you can do. Guys, these things are early morning. This is pre-market. We don't have any volume, we don't have any life, we don't have anybody around us. It's like the slowest moving snail thing I've ever seen in my life. Do, 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 do. Let me guess. Are they announced their news? Is this a news? Is this news? Dude, they couldn't even make the news move? Really? Really? It's a fill in the gap buy stop. It's just you have to let things reset now. There's nothing we can do. Nothing we can do. You sit here and wait. Wait, wait, wait. Ugh. Let me check CAD Japan. CADJPY. CAD. Oh, nice. Ho, ho, ho. Sell stop. 1 minute. 5-minute. CADJPY, CAD Japan. 5-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour, 30-minute, 1-hour buy stop, CAD Japan, or daily sell stop daily, and you notice the last time it did its daily right here, which we wrote down, that's a lot of pip. Weekly buy stop, weekly, monthly buy stop, fill in the gap if you wanna trade that long. GB CAD. I like the GB pairs, I love them. At least you get pips out of these things. Nothing. 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop. 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop to the 5-minute blue line. 15-minute nothing burger. 30-minute nothing. 1-hour sell stop. GBP CAD 1-hour sell stop. 1-hour sell stop. 4-hour daily. 4-hour daily buy to the blue line, daily blue line. Weekly sell. Heck yeah, weekly, monthly sell. Yeesh. GBP CAD is gonna be tumbling here. overtime. I mean, those could take 6 months. They take forever, trust me on that. GBB chef, GBB CHF, GBB chef, 1 minute. Mm, buy stop, 1 minute buy stop. It's kinda late. There was a 15-minute buy stop. Yeah, you're a little late on that one. 30-minute. It is a 1 hour, 4-hour sell stop, daily sell stop. Oh, boy, daily, weekly sell stop. Holy Jiminy. This thing might be in for a crushing blow. Whew, there's a monthly. Why is this thing getting tanked to the ground like this? I don't know. It's too far away, though, if you ask me. It should be a little better on that. Yeah, I think a pullback. Well, anyway, I don't follow this one. I don't care. I calls what I calls. GBP New Zealand. GBP New Zealand, NZD. 1 minute. Check. Nothing. Sell stop to the blue line. Oh, that was beautiful. Too late. Dang, we just missed that one. Shoot fire. It was a 1 minute, 5 minutes. 15-minute. Can we get to the 15-minute line? Yeah, you can probably even take that one down to the 15-minute line there. GB New Zealand. Fill in the gap, buy stop, SPX and NAS. Fill in the gap, buy stop, SPX and NAS. 1 minute. Beautiful 1 hour. It was a 4 hour. Yeah, that was a 4-hour buy. Nothing we can do about that. You're too late. Daily, nothing. Weekly sell? Yeah, it's a weekly, monthly sell for GBP New Zealand. GBP odd, 1 minute. AUD, GBP AUD. 1 minute, 5-minute buy between. Hold on. Yeah, 1 minute, 5-minute buy to the blue line, GBP AUD. 15-minute sell. 15-minute, 30-minute sell. Beautiful. 15-minute, 30-minute sell to the blue line. 1 hour sell. 4 hour daily buy? Yeah, 4-hour daily buy. So get those sells though first. They're gonna be first. They always form an order. Daily, nothing. Yeah, it's nothing. Weekly, nothing. It's a weekly, monthly sell, by the way. That's pretty rough. GBP odds. GBP USD, 1 minute, 1 minute, 5-minute buy stop. GBP USD, 1 hour sell stop. 4-hour daily buy. Weekly sell. Weekly, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, this is the great reset. My bad. I'm like, "What the fuck?" This is what they're doing on the British stuff over there too, pound. Red, 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 green, red, sell stop, and this chart looks exactly the same as ERUSD because they're doing the exact same thing. So this is your weekly ERUSD, red, green, red, they're doing the exact same reset here. GBP USD looks exactly like ERUSD. They're gonna drop it. Bam, baby, fill in the gap, made you money on SPX, fill in the gap on NAS, made you money. Look at that. That's what it is. That's what the great reset looks like when they're gonna usher in the digital dollar. "Oh, everything's collapsing. Woe is us. We have the solution. That's the digital dollar." And then they get to take control of our money. Alright, US 30. Sell stop US 30, 1 minute. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. That's all you really need to know. NAS, you're either in the money or not. Fill in the gap, buy again, you just made money again. 1 minute was a buy, you're in that buy. 5-minute was a fill in the gap. I don't know. Personally, I think at open, they're gonna drop this shit like a rock. This is too far away on a lot of things. This is a 4-hour buy stop. Look at it. 4-hour buy stop. G, fill in the gap, buy stop. G, but look, I mean, what do you guys want? You can't get anything more blatant. There's your 1-hour buy stop. There's your NAS 1-hour buy stop. There's your SPX 1-hour buy stop. And now we're picking up table scraps. This is at the end of what you're doing. So whatever. Make the money if you want. Whatever you're gonna do. SPX and NAS. Yep, you're in the money again. All right. Botnator. Good morning, Botnator. Never mind, Bach just broke on GU. GU 1 minute, Harry, CAD, Japan moved. Richard Graham, US 30, 15-minute huge gap. Sam, I am US 30 on Amazon, please. Okay, let's go ahead and do CAD, Japan move. I don't know, what did it do? Let's take a look, see and see. Glad something's moving. Yeah, that's a 1 minute to the blue line, buy stop, 5-minute sell stop. You wanna do longer term on that one, 30-minute, 1-hour buy. Never mind, just broke. Amazon. I love Amazon. I swear if Amazon ever goes out of business, good luck to the world. We'll have bigger issues to worry about than this shit. Buy stop 1 minute on Amazon, already done. And I own Amazon, by the way. 5-minute, 15-minute, 15-minute buy, kinda a little late on that one, Amazon. Didn't I already do this? 5-minute, 15-minute, fill in the gap, 30-minute. It was a 1-hour buy right here. Where'd the little Amazon go? Where's Amazon going? 102. Amazon's back up to 102. Yay. I'm glad I was dollar cost averaging that shit on the way down. Phew, I don't know. They had that split, it throws everything off, but dang, that does not look good. Holy shit! 'Cause they did the split, so my longer term ones are gonna be a little bit off, but if they're not, that is a daily, weekly sell stop on Amazon. Ah! Fuck. I don't like it. I would wait. I'd let this regroup on Amazon. It's already done its 1 minute. It's already done a 5 minutes. It's already done a 15-minute. Is it heading anywhere? 30-minute, 1 hour, 1 hour. Is there 1 hour up here? I don't even know where it went. 4 hour? I don't even know where it went. I would stay away from it. Other than buying it long term, dollar cost averaging, I would stay on. But again, I'm not a financial advisor. It's fun. There you go. Yeah, I can't really call it though. Morning, Xavier. Morning, Sam. That 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 that. Ah, boy, are you guys in the money on your SPXs. SPX in the money, huge, fill in the gap, paid off again, like I just mentioned. NAS, fill in the gap right here, just paid off. You'd have made just another 8, 10 pips on that one. If you'd have got in where we got in, you'd be up an extra 18 pips. If you'd listened to me when I got in, yesterday, you'd be up 30 pips. If you'd have got in on the complete time I told you guys to get into, which was your 30-minute, which I got in late on, by the way, you'd be up 134 pips. The calls I made out yesterday all played out perfectly. Currently, we're in 1-minute buy stops, all 3 except well, all 2 actually. I said 3, okay, I rewrite that one. We're waiting for, US 30 to drop down, and US 30, Lord willing, is a 30-minute sell stop to the blue line. What blue line, you might be asking? This one, and there it is, and by the way, you're in the money on your US 30. How much? Sell stop US 30. Sell stop US 30. You're up $80, $90, $40, $90. You're up $90. You're up your US you can sell your US 30s and close those if you like. If you open up more than one, you can keep more than one open. US 30 is not just a 1-minute sell. It is technically a 15-minute buy stop. But again, I'm fully expecting these things to drop a little bit. They're too far away from the red lines. If you don't know what that means, buy the system and learn it, and you'll understand. Gold 30-minute sell stop to the blue line might be nice this morning, says Xavier. We went over gold ad nauseum multiple times so much I don't even wanna see it again. Look at it again. 1 minute, nothing, 5 it's gonna be a 1-minute sell stop to the blue line, okay? 5-minute, nothing, 15-minute yeah, 30 minutes to the blue line's gonna be perfect. It did 15 minutes to the blue line yesterday right here. This was called out live, literally traded it. I traded it myself. The sell stop is perfection. How it's regrouped, redoing itself for the 30-minute. Let me see one problem here. Nope, we're good. 30-minute sell stop to the blue line's already been called. Yeah, this is it over here, sorry. This is the gold call right here, and then we go over to the 1-minute buy stop, 1-minute buy stop, 30-minute sell stop. Now, you also have a 4-hour daily buy, but again, I think it's gonna dip a little bit lower towards this daily before it goes back to 4-hour. We'll see. And that's gold. But again, I absolutely think this is gonna go down to the blue line, so I should probably rewrite my gold, but I'm too lazy to do that. Oh, look at there. Hold on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Well, boop, there she blows. Alright, we have good let's go ahead and zoom in on that little thing. We have a good number of profit right here. This is absolutely good enough. Sell your US 30 if you want. You're up over 150, 100, 150 on your sell stop on US 30 to the blue line. It's not close enough, but if you're up 20, 30 pips in the morning before market open on a slow freaking day and you don't take profit, shame on you. That's all I can tell you. And yes, we have rules about taking profit, and no, I'm not going over them. Those are in our rules that you get when you buy the system. Look at this beautiful sell stop that I called out, oh, I don't know, hours ago, but you all are in the money on the sell stop. Take the profit and get out of US 30. Who here would like to say thank you, God, thank you, system, or thank you, Bree, for that sell stop and the buy stops you're in. You've made money on your NASs, you made no money on your SPXs, and you made money on your US 30s. Now, the rest of these, I have no idea what they did when I called them out. You guys have to tell me later. There you go. There's your money. Anybody. 'Cause you know what? I probably don't even wanna be on. I'm gonna go ahead and go. So if I don't get a few thank yous to God on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and out, and then you guys can trade on your own because 'cause I'm outta here. I wanna go lift, I wanna go do move off, and then I'll come back on later this morning. Alright, so thank yous or Kev's gone. Not to me, I don't want any thank yous. Thank you to God, thank you for the system, or thank you for Bree, or thank you for all 3. Going once, thank you, God, thank you, Bree, thank you. Hey, 310 for life, what's up, Timur? Or, Thing? Sorry, 3 I called you Timur. Thank you, D Nice. Thank you, Thing. Thank you, God. Nope, I don't want no thank you. I don't want thank yous, Armando. God bless you, says Xavier. Thank you, God. Thank you to God. Tatiana. What's up, Tatiana? Thanks, Bree. Thank you, Bree. And Bree's still sleeping, but she's still thanks. All right, fine, I'll stay. And you're up $118, $109. Yeah, because this is fine and fun and all, but without Bree, I wouldn't be doing this. Or I'd do it, I just wouldn't do it nearly as much. There's no way in hell. No way. No, that's why she gets the things because she's absolutely my right-hand man, so to speak, and she absolutely helps me out and you guys out more than ever. By the way, and if you again, open up 2, 3, 4 of those trades, shut 1 down or 3 down and keep 1 open. How many sell stops, by the way? Right, sell stop, easy peasy to the blue line. I don't know how much more direct I can make a trade than this right here. I know I think Shannon's here, she says she doesn't trade, 1 minute or below anything below 15 minutes. When you see a trade like this, Shannon, take the trade. Red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop to the blue line. Are you kidding me? They're basically saying, "Here, take my money." They're saying, "Load up the ATM truck, load up the Brinks truck," ATM's in that truck, huh, "and take our money." Buy stop, fill in the gap, SPX. Buy stop, fill in the gap, NAS. Sell stop to the blue line, and it's falling to the blue I need to record this. I should have been recording this. Recording in progress. I have, other computers going here, sorry. There you go. Should have been recording that already. Can we get a touch on the blue line? I think we can. Thank you, God. Kevin Precious Tuxie. What's up, mom? See, Miss Angela, I speak so highly of your daughter. She's absolutely precious and unbelievably the best thing ever happened in my life, period. Well, my 2 children and period. What's up, Grand Rising? Thank you, sweet baby Jesus. Ricky Bobby's in the house. Ricky Bobby's in the house. Freddie Knight, good morning. Thank you, Bree. Shannon Ivory, thank you, God. Thank you, Bree. And Don, how about Google? Don. Don is gonna get every damn stock we have. Don, do you have our scanner? If you do, you can watch all those yourself. I'll look at it. What's up, Kevin? Good morning, Kev. Moreover for finding you. Thank God every day for finding trading. Yeah, trading itself isn't the greatest thing on earth. I lost for those 6 years and it was a living hell. Oh my God. Well, 5.5 years. I'm learning. Yes, Shannon, we all are. Is the US 500 the same as US 30? They trade the same on higher times for 100% of the time, yes, but no, they're not the same. I trade them as one symbol, yeah. No, US 500 and US 30 and NAS are all 3 different things. Good morning, Ed. Boom. Look at that beautiful sell stop to the blue line. Wow. I mean, has it touched? No. Is it close enough for horseshoes and hand grenades? Yes. That is called victory. You guys call it what you want. I'm telling you right now, that is look at that. That is close enough. We're aiming for the blue line. You just made 172, 168, 138, 116, 193, 185. Yeah, and I'm in buy stops on US 30 to be clear. I'm in buy stops on US 30. I'm in buy stops on US 30 while I'm doing this, just so we're all on the same page. Oh, that's too funny to me. Yep, there you go. Here's I have over 4 of these, but there you go. These are my trades that I'm currently in. These are my trades, my time is right here for you. 418, 1505, 1528, 1528. These are the sells, US 30, and this is a sell. And that's the thing. And that's my trades on the safe trade system, not on drugs. And that's it. I'm gonna go close a few of these out, and I'll probably leave 1 sell open, but I have 2 long-term buys open right now on US 30. So make no mistake about it. I played the down, and now I'm gonna make sure I keep my little other long-term ones open. So I'm gonna close down a few of these. Bippity boppity boo. Um, I'm gonna keep this one open. I'm gonna keep one open. Bippity boppity boo. And I still have long-term buys in place, just so you guys are aware. What a beautiful morning. Not yet, Kelly, live before May 1st. Awesome, Don. I will check Google for you now, by the way. I lost for 2 years over and over. I lost for 6 years over and over, or 5.5. I know a guy I know a guy that's the runner on the floor of the German stock exchange. I keep bringing it up, 34 years of losing. I couldn't imagine. Even I don't know if I could do that. What's up, Thomas? Alright, let's look at Google. Google, Google. Let's see right here. There it is, Google. Boop. Google is going to be 1 minute buy stop. Let me zoom that back out again. 1 minute buy stop, 5 minute sell stop. I like that. Ooh, it's not a clean one though. Ah, okay. 1 minute buy, 5 minute sell to the blue line, Google. 15 minute is gonna be a 30-minute buy or 1 hour. 1 hour buy, 1 hour buy. Ah, went to the blue line on the 4 hour already. That's rough on you. Daily, daily sell, weekly buy, weekly buy, monthly buy. Weekly, monthly buy on Google. Daily, it's a sell, but I wouldn't worry about that. See, you just missed this, 4 hour to the blue line right here. Can we get to the blue line? It's already past it. Yeah, you're screwed. It's not ideal. Yeah, I would stick with these shorter time frames. 1 minute buy stop. Let me see, was that going up to the blue line? Ooh, I think we have touchdown. Hold on. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line, Google. 5 minute sell stop, Google. US 30, US 30. Bam! Touchdown. Victory is ours, saith the Lord. There you go. Boom, baby. There you go. Boom. Whoever took that trade down with me, you're in the money. Who's in the money? Bam, 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 bam. There you go. Boom. Boom. 1 minute blue line hit. Boom. US 30 1 minute blue line hit. Boom, 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 boom. There's the money. Patrick's holding up the fire signs. Who made some money? Come on. Please say I'm not just talking to myself out here boring my ass to sleep. Come on. Sell stop to the blue line. Every one of you, if I dare have any one of you say, "What trade should I take, Kevin? I keep losing." Well, freaking record all your sessions, rewatch this trade, take a picture of this trade, and only trade this trade. I said it an hour ago. I'm saying it again. You cannot beat this trade. Look at it. Look at it and learn. Look at it. This is the trade you take. I don't wanna hear, "I can't make a trade. I can't win." 8 out of 10 of you are doing fantastic. But those 1 or 2 people out of 10 who aren't following the dang on rules can drive you nuts. Follow the rules. Do this trade. Holy crap. Look at the money. Look at the trade. Look at the trade. I even drew it out for you. I even put the green thing up. I said, "I hope this turns green. Oh, I hope it comes over the thing. Oh, I hope it does this." Who was here for me to draw out the trade? Who was here for me to put the green thing up? Who was here for me to type out the trade? Who was here when I said it was going to the blue line? I think you guys all get a little too comfortable for me making call after call after call. I'm calling things out before they happen with near 100% accuracy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go with thank you, God. Thank you, system. Thank you, Bree. But come on. These are nothing short than mini miracles. I couldn't call this trade right for 5.5 years, 6 years. If you gave me $1 billion, I couldn't have called that trade. But here it is in front of your eyes, yet again, day after day, month after month, 8 months documented on YouTube, every day of every trade I ever buy stop, by the way, SPX 1 minute, fill in the gap, buy stop, NAS 100, by the way. I think it's gonna go down a little bit first, but anyway, there you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm in on those USU 2 for 1 runner. Botnator. Thank God, Botnator. I'm in the money. Thank God. Thank you, D Nice, for listening. At least there's a few people out there making money with me. Hello. Good morning, user. I don't know your name. User 366195. Come on. Woo! Hit the thumbs up. I was at the gym. It'll happen again. Rebecca Manderson. Thank you. You're welcome, Rebecca. Just closed. Don't thank me. I would thank God. The system closed just before the touch, but I took it. Yeah, always take your money. Always take your money. But I literally drew out who was here when I drew this out. Who was here when I drew this out? And if it turns green, we're gonna take damn trade. Going to the blue line. I'm gonna take it a million times on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 2 billion times on Tuesday. Yeah, that's why you take the trade. That is the trade you take. Don't come back and, I don't know how to make it money. I don't know how to make trades. What are you talking about? This is what you do. And if you're not recording it, get yourself the screen recorder. This thing right here is the greatest thing in the history of the world. Right here, this thing, right there. Record every session. I literally have tetrabyte fills of I have about 10, I have a dozen of those things probably at least. A tetrabyte filled of that stuff. Filled with it. And be ready for that sell stop, by the way. Buy stop 1 minute SPX, buy stop NAS 100. I'm in long-term buys on US 30, by the way, as I'm playing the down. Yes, I am. This is the trade. This is the trade you take. Can I be any clearer? "Oh, I don't know. What do I do? How do I" This is it. It's written out, drawn out in our rules. Everything about this trade is 100% perfect. Literally, they tried to bullshit with us. This little indicator saying it's gonna go up. That green means up. Our indicators are down, down, down. You have the box, the most important indicator in the history of the world, down, down, down red, down candles, down logo, down arrow to the blue line. You literally have, you wanna know how many things you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 different indicators showing a sell stop. You had one fake out saying it was gonna go up. You literally had 10 different indicators pushing you down under the water. That's the example I was given. And then you had one little old you trying to stay up above the water. That trade was going down no matter what. And if it was on a 1 hour, 4 hour, I'm telling you, I've never seen it lose on a 1 hour, 4 hour trade ever in 3.5 years of using this system, ever. Now, 1 minute, yes, get a little cluttery right there. It can be what's called a, double top or triple top, and it can get a little ugly for a minute, but it always will come down. It's just what it's gonna do. It had no choice. The system shows you it was gonna go down. "Oh, it's going back up." Yeah, because it already went down. You already made your money. You should be out of the trade. "Oh, you let the trade for 2 weeks and 2 months." Yeah, watch this shit. You watch this right here. You're about to see SPX. Buy stop 1 minute SPX, by the way, but I'm telling you right now, it's something different. Let's do a little something here. Move this down. Oh, silly Uncle Mike. Tricks are for kids. Sell stop unofficially, officially buy stop. SPX 1 minute buy stop. NAS again. I'm telling you, this is we already knew where this was going. Officially buy stop, unofficially sell stop. I've been saying that all morning too. Just keep taking that money up. I don't care. Keep taking your money. I've got my long-term buys in. It's too far. It's gonna pull back down again. Again, like I said, to the 15-minute, 30-minute line, probably the 30-minute line in this case, which means this is gonna go down to its blue line, in case anyone's wondering, or get very close to it. And if it doesn't, so what? Just take the buys on the way up. Buy stop 1 minute SPX. Buy stop 1 minute NAS. Officially. US 30. Sell stop again back down to its blue line again. We'll sit, and we'll let it print some money for us over and over again. What's up, T-Woo? This is Tarkalist from YouTube. What's up? Thanks for coming over. Welcome to TikTok. You can hear better and it's faster on TikTok. Close this for touch, health, and wealth. What's up, Eric? I was here for all that. Thanks so much. Thank you for acknowledging what you just saw. Great call as usual. Kev says, Larry, thank you, Larry. And Nadal says, I saw Kev. Thank you, Nadal. I'm waiting for those 4 hours in daily trades. Dailies are tough. The 4 hours, I like the 1 hour, 4 hours better, but the 4 hours daily work, they're just slow. Can't wait for training. I can't wait to train you, Amy Lou. The only reason I didn't take that beautiful trade is because I'm already making money on gold. Thank God for the system. It can really change your life. Xavier, I agree. You can't take every damn trade. Xavier was a 1 minute sell stop to the blue line. That was not official. Officially, that was a 1 minute buy stop. And now, did it ever form a sell? No, it never did. Now you're looking at a 5 minute buy stop, but again, I think that's gonna go a little lower. And then you're gonna see a 15-minute sell again, 30-minute sell, 30-minute sell on, gold, 30-minute, 1 hour gold, 1 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour buy, 4 hour, 4 hour buy. But I think see this 4 hour buy, I just think this is gonna go down lower to on the daily. That's what I think you're gonna see. Weekly, too late. You should have took the weekly buy. Weekly, monthly buy on that one. So back down to here. 1 minute sell to the blue line worked out perfectly for him. 5 minute, 15. If you're pushing my hand on this, I can see it going down to the 5 minute line on this. I really can. Yeah, 30-minute sell stop too. So 30-minute sell stop gold, probably to its blue line for sure going back down to the 50. Oh, my bad. Oh, wait a 5 minute. Oh, my bad. Oh, my tire. No. That's a 30-minute to the 30-minute line. That's what someone called earlier anyway. Correct. And if you don't wanna do those, pay attention to that 4 hour daily buy stop. There you go. 30-minute sell stop gold, 4 hour buy stop. I'm taking this one off. This is what was called out earlier, actually, way early, like 2. That's gold. Little gold over there in its little corner. We're gonna have a little special corner for gold. Alright, let's go back here. 1 minute. SPX. Buy stop, official, unofficial sell stop. 1 minute. Boop, 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 boop. I it's just again, I've been wrong all morning on the sell, right? But who cares? If it doesn't engage your sell, you're not out anything. Just keep taking those buys and you make your money. Told you. 1 minute official buy stop, NAS, unofficial sell stop. That's just me calling it to the blue line or at least a bit more. It's just too far away on those 15-minute 30s. This is what I called way back when I woke up. That's I still stick with all these. Still stick with them. No, okay, the 1 minute buy stop's already played out. US 30, 1 minute sell stop to the blue line again. You're getting into a beautiful position to get back into these trades again. Oh my gosh, they're giving it 15-minute, 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 30-minute buy. 15-minute, 30-minute buy on US 30. 1 minute sell. Okay. I've already got those others. I'm gonna keep this right there though. I go right there. Okay. I'm done. 1 minute buy stop SPX. 1 minute buy stop NAS. 1 minute sell stop US 30. I keep repeating myself, I keep repeating myself. Yeah, I took my 30 as elected props aiming for the 30-minute pull. Great, Xavier. Congratulations. SPX 1 minute buy stop. SPX 1 minute buy stop. Let's see what yeah, that is Shannon. Let's see. Yes, ma'am. It is a 1 minute buy stop. I'm hesitant because it's a little far away on our advanced line here. The 5-minute 15 is way too far way on the 15-minute line. That's why I think you're gonna see a little pullback here. Again, if we're wrong, put your buy stop above here, heart of harm's way, somewhere way up here or higher. That's SPX, right, and then just wait. So, yes, it's gonna come up, and then if you have this come up, you're gonna have a you're gonna have a 1, 2 pip stop loss. So, this is a buy stop SPX, and let's see NAS. NAS is also but again, don't be surprised if these pull back, especially at open. I can see them doing that at open. Sell stop official now, US 30 sell stop again, 1 minute. The first time is always the best time, and then 15, 5-minute, 15, 15, 15, 15-minute buy stop, 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. So there you go. Wow, what fun. Wait, hope US 30 does it again so we can print some more money. Let's go get some more water. It's beautiful, Kevin, to stare at all day. I know, isn't it just gorgeous? I swear people don't morning, Chad. Good morning, Chad. I'm waiting for this for us, okay. But people don't appreciate the charts when they're just so pretty. When you could see, like, for instance, this 15-minute gold yesterday, you can see the chart, right? Look at this. This was a 15-minute, gold down to the blue line play yesterday. It's just gorgeous. Look at this chart. Look at this right inside of here. Let's be clear on something right here. Let's be clear on something right here. Look, right here, inside of this beautiful thing. It is exactly the exact same thing is just what happened on US 30. Da 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 da. Look at it. That's the US 30 one. It's the exact same thing. Look, it exactly was the same thing. This is US 30 1 minute, and this is the gold 15-minute. The gold I'll move it over here since we're all in there. It's the same thing. Red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line. That is the only trade you should take. The only other one you should take possibly would be a buy stop to the blue line with the exact opposite. This is gold 15-minute. This is US 30 1 minute. They're exactly the same. Please videotape your training se or your trading sessions, and then go ahead red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line, and then go ahead and absolutely 100% only trade this trade. I'm not gonna call it any names, but when I get an email here or there from certain people, by the way, remember that SPX sell stop. Remember that SPX sell stop. Remember that SPX sell stop. Just saying that, and the NAS. But when I give you guys this exact trade to do, and I get an email saying, "I don't know how to make money. I don't know how to trade," there's a point where I just wanna throw up my hands and not help y'all anymore and just walk away. I to be honest. Because of Bree, she speaks me out and says, "Oh, I got it. Don't worry. I'll tell him." 'Cause otherwise, I'd be like, "Am I beating my head against the wall that you guys can't understand English when I'm specifically telling you what exact trade to take?" I don't care if this form's on the 1 minute like it is on US 30. I don't care if this form's on the 15-minute like it does on gold. I don't care if it forms on the daily like it does on US 30 right here. I don't care right here. There it is again. This trade repeats itself over and over and over again. And yet I get questions. "Why I can't" because you're trying to trade too often. You're not following the rules. You're not listening to one word I'm saying. There it is. There's the blue line. And you know how many pips this trade was? This trade was 4,000 pips. Here's another one. This is exactly the same thing. This is a green. That little dot right there is a green. Right here, you put your telescope in, 2,600 pips. I can't help you guys if you can't follow my simple instructions and my rules. I can't. Matter of factly, I get so annoyed. I don't know. There's some days I'm not going to, but any rate, gee, I wonder what's in a wonder ball. Do-da-dum, do-da-dum, do-da-dum. Well, anywho, guys, I'm just trying to help educate you. These are your trades you should be taking. Whether you do them or not, I don't know. If you try to trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, you're trying to do Sundays. Oh, told you. Look, there you go. Ooh, I wonder what might be happening on SPX and what might be happening on NAS. Do, 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 do. Who's gonna make some more money with you? Who's in the money? Oh, who's in that money? Sell, sell, sell. Close down your US 30s. You're in the money again. You're in the money on the sell stop from SPX. Told you. Bingo, boppo, bingo. There's your money again. Oh, there's your money and money again and money again. One, two, 4. There, boom. There it goes again. Who's in the money again? Who's in the money again? Boom, baby. Still my long-term buys on SPX, by the way. I'm on US 30 and has. Sell US 30, $177. Sell US 30, $202. Sell US 30, $185. Sell $75. Sell, sell, sell. Bippity boppity bango boo. Who's in the money? Who's in the money? Who's in the money? Take your money out. Close down your trade. US 30 is now officially ATM 30. It hit its blue line for the second time. I just taught you that trade. I just showed you. I just drew it out. I just told you what to do. There it is. Did any of you listen to me? I don't know. If you guys don't start listening, I like this one. I might just come on once a week or something, forget this, and just trade myself and have fun. My god. It's frustrating. Look at it again before your very eyes. And not only that, but I was right about the NAS pulling back. I was right about SPX pulling back. 9 years trading experience. There's your US 30 for the second time hitting the blue line. Bop, boo, bang, boobity bop, boo, bang. There you go. There's your trade again. There's your greater trade. US 30 back to the blue line. I'm in the money on SPX. I wasn't in. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Bree. Thank you for the system. I appreciate you. I'm not even in front of my computer, says Patrick. Patrick's making fun. What more? Don't forget to smash the like button. What more? Me, says Sam. Great, Sam. I'm in the money on SPX, says Shannon. I'd rather you have taken the US 30, Shannon, because it's a true safety trade. The other ones I called out for you, those are not true safety trades. That's just me with 9 years trading experience. That's all. Look at the money. Look at the money on US 30. Holy crap. Buy the system, learn how to trade. Buy the system, learn how to trade. What am I saying? Buy the system for once in your lives, learn how to trade. You don't have to rely on me. You don't have to rely on anything. Buy the system. Whew. Wow. What fun. I just talked about it and it just did the trade. I don't You can't call it out any better than that, I don't think. That was just a thing of beauty right there. Wow. Totally nice. Totally beautiful. Totally perfection. People don't sleep on this, works every damn day. I know. Worked every damn day for the last, month, but, not good enough for people, and I make money for them all day long. Steal it. Save up enough money. Go over to the safetytrade.com after you've stolen enough of my trades, and my signals given out, and buy it for 5.75. Learn how to trade. Buy the system. Learn how to trade. Make your money. Make your money. Look at that. For the second time it did it. I don't know what to tell you. I'm literally drawing it out, telling you the trade, saying, "Look, does it look familiar? This doesn't look like much. This is enough to make you independently wealthy." That's 17 pips. The first time it happened right here was up here. That is another 20 pips. You'd be up 37 pips. If you're taking full lots on that, that would be $37,000 on 10 and 370,000 if you opened up more. You can literally make enough money to retire. Matter of fact, Goroff made $54,000 in one day and he retired for 2 months or 3 months. I don't even think he's been back on actually. Well, he came back on, but he scored. So he made enough money in Sweden to do it and made his money and he was out. There you go. Do not forget for 1 second, we're in a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop for, US 30. Don't forget that for 1 second, okay? Zippity doppity, zippity doppity, bam, 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 bam. Alright, let's take a look at SPX now and make sure we're happy with what we're seeing. You made your money. It's still a 1-minute buy stop. It's still a 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop, SPX is. If you made any money on the sell, just get out. NAS, officially, it's still a 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop, but unofficially, it is a fill in the gap sell stop. 1 minute. It's a 1-minute, 5-minute official. US 30, well, give me a break. US 30 is now ATM 30, and it's just printing money, so you guys do with what you want on that one. But it is a 15-minute buy after the sell. And there you go. Here's your money. Good morning, Kim. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Steven. Marty M, 2 lots, 10 pips, 1,800 bucks. Holy shit. Marty M, you made 1,800 this morning. Nice. Good morning, Adrian. What's up, Adrian? Oh, shit. What time is it? Uh, uh, what do we have? Oh, what time is it? Like 10 minutes to market? Is it really? Wow, time flew by there. Yep, 10 minutes to market open. 10 minutes to market open. If any of you are still trading after you just made hundreds of thousands of pips and dollars, kind of get greedy, you shouldn't trade the market open. Good morning. Don't forget to smash like button. Good morning, Adrian. Marty M, 10 pips, 1,800 bucks. Nice. Dang, Marty, nice work. Steven, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Congrats, Marty. Great morning, Dynamite Sloan. After that 4-hour buy stop got me 585. Nice. Holy shit. 585. Let's look at the gold for him real quick. Sell stop again to the blue line. I'm telling you, it's an unofficial sell stop on all three indices. Oh, this is that 4-hour. You mean the 4-hour buy prior? I don't see the 4-hour buy. By the way, this 30-minute this 30 minutes of the blue line gold, I don't know if that's looking familiar to a trade we just did, anyone. Did we hit the 5-minute? Not yet, no. Okay. Alright, I'll go ahead and call the open for us here in just a second. Shannon, great trade. If there's the only thing wrong with the system, it causes FOMO. There's so many great trades. Do you wanna take all of them? I know, right? Peace, Queen Shannon, it'd be good to see you having some fun making some coins. I love the only made. Love it. I love the only made. Only made. Oh, yeah, right. I was saying, sorry. Jose, 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 our E-mini expert. Jose is in the house, which he's Jose, good morning to you, sir. Yes, sir, the prior. Good morning, Candle Envy. I guess people are waking up now, huh? Guys are a little late to the party. We already made hundreds and hundreds of tips, thousands of every call I made yesterday that I left you all in, it went up true, the 1 minute to the 5-minute and the 30-minute buy subs, tons of money. Told you sell stuff in that SPX. I told you this is the way it's gonna do now. You watch and see. Watch and see. And then we just made absolutely picture perfect. Everyone should be recording their sessions with ice cream recorder or some recorder. After that, this right here. And after that, you guys should be taking pictures when I tell you to take pictures. This is an absolute picture perfect trade twice right here. Oopsie, hold on, can't see that. Twice it did it. Twice. US 30 to the blue line. This is the only trade any of you should be trading. When you see a full on safety trade to the blue line, take it. When you see it again, take it. When you see it form on gold 15 minutes yesterday, take it. It went down to the blue. I don't how much clearer can I get? This is the trade, especially all beginners need to take because you guys are clueless on how to use the system. You should be very selective in your trades. "Oh, I'm gonna trade every minute. I'm gonna trade every minute of every day." No, that's not what we're doing here. That's not what you're doing here. These are your 30-minute buys, and by the way, we did that yesterday. Now you're in a sell stop. Told you. Wait till you see what this is gonna do. Do, 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 do. Told you there's your money on your sell stop, fill in the gap here. But again, these aren't as clean as these you look at the difference. This is me telling you 9 years experience. If you go over to look at it, told you. This is different. This is actually a safety trade to the blue line. This is what you need to take. The other trades on the sell stops, I'm telling you unofficially, are because I'm just telling you that. I have 9 years trading experience, and I invented the system. I know what the hell I'm doing. That's the only reason why they're doing that. This is not a sell stop. This has nothing to do with a one-minute sell stop. As a matter of factly, that's why we need that pullback. That's what you're seeing right now. This is a 1-minute, 5-minute buy stop, but I'm telling you, I called this out 2.5, 3 hours ago. This is what it's gonna do. And you guys can learn the system. You guys can do these trades too. Look at it go down. You're welcome. But Kev, this isn't officially sales. I know. It's called 9 years of trading experience. All I got for you. Sell stop, sell stop, sell stop. Boom to the blue line again. Look at these trades. Only learn these trades. Am I speaking clear English? Only learn these trades at first, especially. It's a sell stop to the blue line. You can't lose. You will not lose. You didn't lose this morning. I'm telling you, it's 99% accurate on a 1 hour and a higher time frame. It is. Just is. Just is. I'm digging now. I'll be listening. Howdy, y'all. Blue line US 30 ATM. It is the blue line. Good morning. Howdy, y'all. Let me ask away. I have nothing to hide. Ask away. Kev asked me to reach out to you. I'm struggling with the system, says Stevie. Stevie Haynes. Stevie Haynes. This is the only trade you are ever to make under orders of the boss. I'm your boss. I'm ordering you only to take this trade, Stevie Haynes. You can reach out to Patrick all you want. This is the trade you take. This is the trade you take. This is the trade you take. This is the trade you take on a daily. This is the trade you take on an hourly. This is the trade you take on a 15-minute. This is the only trade you take. You'll take a sell stop to the blue line, just like this is right here. That's the gold. You'll take it on US 30. You'll take it on NAS. You'll take it on SPX. That is the only trade you take. You want help? That's your help. You want me to be clear to you? I'm being as clear as I can. This is the only trade you take, and if you do it on a 1 hour, 4-hour time frame, it's I've never seen it lose, so I'm gonna go ahead and say it's 99% accurate. I hope I'm clear. I'm digging now. I'm listening. Setup 1 works great. I'm only doing that for 30 days. Correct, Botnator. Got it. Won twice this morning to blue line. Stevie, correct. Congratulations, Stevie. You just now figured out your own answer to your own issues. There you go. And by the way, who the hell's in the money on SPX and NAS? Okay. How much time we got to market open? Get the market open. 4 minutes. Okay, 4 minutes to market open. Nope, there's my timer. What the hell is it? All right. Look at the beautiful trade happening. All right. Yes, sir. Ready for the open. I can see that. So this will say good morning. Went to bed at 3 AM, Candle Envy. Awesome. Gotta be smart. Steven Dunlap. Are you long SPX or short? OG Con. No, we're long. We're long. We're short to the blue line. And if you don't know what that means by the morning, Steven, loud, clear. I know I'm pretty loud, aren't I? Larry Cooper. Got it, Kev. Thank you, Larry. Good morning, everyone. Show your appreciation when hit thumbs up. Danny, where have you been? Good morning, Danny. Stronger Than Failure has a great podcast. Please listen to it. Great. Good morning, Kev. Danny, I did we not email you? I asked for the email. I bet you did not, and I don't think I did either. That's my fault. I didn't ask about you. Damn it. That's my fault. I should have actually emailed you. We were talking about you. I was wondering how you were doing. Bro, I've had some personal things going on. Okay. Well, I'm glad you're back, my brother. Thank you for being back. D nice 4 minutes. Won twice this morning. Evie, yay. All right. So call outs, final call outs before you're going to see. I'm going to go US 30 for you. US 30. We ran a 1-minute sell stop. I can't help you on that. 1-minute sell stop. Do I think it's going to go down lower? Mhm. Yeah, I do. Uh, 5-minute 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. US 30. I'm leaving these up. I like these calls we made. I don't care. I'll pull these back off, this is US what did I just say? So US 30, you're in a 1-minute sell, there's nothing you can do, lock in your profits, stay in it. 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop. 15-minute buy stop US 30, so 15-minute buy stop US 30. Let me write that one out for us. So you're currently in US 30, 1-minute sell you can't help the 1-minute sell, you're in it. 1-minute sell stop, 15-minute buy stop. So if you're in it, lock in your profits, and if not, do that. 15-minute buy. Na NAS, which you guys shouldn't even be trading. I called out these 30 minutes buys, you're up over 100 pips on US 30, you're up over 100 pips on NAS, but here I am trying to make trades for you. This is the silliest thing on earth. I'm gonna go ahead and do NAS the same as the other. We're gonna do NAS and SPX, so NAS, SPX, NAS, SPX. 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to market open, 3 minutes to market open. NAS, SPX, you're gonna do 1-minute sell stops, and then it's gonna be 5/15-minute buy stops. So if you don't like the lower time frames, then don't trade the lower time frames. If you don't mind doing it by the way, I still was correcting all these calls from this morning, just saying. Alright, and let's put this over here now. This is what we're looking at. You can't help it if you're in a s there you go. If you're seeing SPX drop like a rock, you're in the sell stop before open. I can't get you out of the trade, just lock in your profits. By the way, I'm long on US 30 extremely look at it. Look at S Oh my god. Take your profit. I just said NAS SPX 1-minute sell stop. Oh, I can't help you guys. I can't help you. If you guys didn't make money on the SPX and NAS sell stops I just told you about, sell. All you beginners need to be out. You should take 1 to 2 to 3 pips profit. Take the money out. You're in the money. Take the money. Look at your US 30 go through the roof. Look at you're welcome. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Look at this. Learn to trade. Learn to trade. Get the damn system and learn to trade for yourselves. You can make these calls. As market opened, as I'm writing it out, it drops like a rock. What Jesus, Mary and Joseph. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's get some of these thank you gods, thank you systems, and thank you Breeze out of the way. Go to the safety trade system.com. Buy the system. Buy the I couldn't even get this written out as it drops down. Oh my goodness. Wow, I think you're in the money on US 30, guys. I think you might be in the money on NAS. I know for a damn fact you're in the money on SPX. There it is. Guess where they're going to? Boom, baby. You're in the money. Outstandingly in the money. Holy tomato. I didn't even wanna hear it. I don't even wanna hear it. I don't if any of you aren't making money, shame on you, not shame on me. Shame on you. Peeps. You're not making your money. All these cells were called out. All these cells were called out. All these cells were called out. Everything you're looking at was called out ahead of time. Everything you see before your very eyes was called out ahead of time. All these cells were called out. Don't give me no BS. I call these damn things live. I call them as you're getting them. I call them as you're doing them. All of them. Called out. All I still have long-term buys, by the way. I absolutely still have long-term buys. I still have long-term buys on US 30 to be specific. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. It's all I can tell you is all I can tell you. It's all I can tell you is that it is. Who's making money? We're making money. Who's making money? Yes, we are. Yes, 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 yes. I still have a long-term buy-in on US 30. Look at this money. Look at that money. Look at that money. Look at that money. Those are all my trades. Those are all my sells. I just closed out some FTXs. Da-dee-da. My NAS too on that. Look at that money. And I still have one SPX open. I closed down my NASs. Look at that money. Look at that money. Look at that money. I don't know what else to tell you guys. I'll poof it down here for a second. Let me close this up. Alright, there I oh, you can't see your times then, sorry. There's those right there. I don't know what to tell you guys. Hopefully, y'all made some money on that. Holy mother of God. Look at that. Mhm. 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 And we're not done, by the way. Mhm. Mhm. Gee. Mhm. Let's see, Stevie Haynes. Did you win again, Stevie Haynes? Did you win again? That should have been your 3rd time. Thank God. Thank you. Be nice for always being so nice. Thank you, God. Oh, there we go. Woohoo, says Candle Envy. Steve Holloway says, "Thank you, God." Breathe, base system. LT says, "Good morning." Good morning, LT. What's up, buddy? Stephen Dunlap, thank God. Thank you, Breeze. Thank you. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Candle. Thank you, Kevin. Candle Envy. Good morning, LT. Rob Grizzlies. Good morning, Kevin. Oil had a 4-hour buy. Stephen Dunlap. Awesome. So we had a few thank yous in there, I think. I appreciate that without having to threaten and tell you all. But, there you go. There's your trades. There's your trades on the safety trade system. What's he saying? Oil? What do you want me to look at? Oil? Do, 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 do. Still has a 4-hour buy stop. What do you mean had? Rob Grucius? It has a 4-hour buy stop. That is not had. Do, 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 do. It also has informing of order of what happens first. 1-minute buy stop oil, 5-minute sell stop oil, 15-minute sell stop oil. Let me see if it's going down to this blue line. It is. 5-minute, 15-minute to the blue line oil. Every time the 1 minute, 5 minutes always form before the 1 hours, 4 hours. That's beginner stuff. I shouldn't even have to say that out loud. 1 hour, 4-hour buy stop, daily sell stop, weekly, monthly buy stop. I don't understand your oh, has, correct, yeah. Good morning, Bree. Not sure she's up yet. Okay, so there you go. That's oil for you. Whew, that was fun. What a nice little opening. This does not take away from the fact for 1 second that you're this is just going down like I wrote out. This is what I wrote out. I said it's gonna fall hard at open. Oh my god. Right here. Play 1-minute sell stop when heading back down to the 15-minute, 30-minute red line. You had to go back down to 15-minute, 30-minute red lines because they were too far away. That's why it's going back down, but don't make a mistake about it. You're currently in a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop on SPX as I'm making money on the way down. You're currently in a 5-minute, 15-minute buy stop on, NAS 100, okay? So just because we made that money there by the way, it's gonna keep going down, it's not done. Let me see if we're gonna get a 5-minute of this one. Yeah, I think we will. And don't forget, even though we're playing this down, I'm in long-term 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hours. I'm in buy stops on the US 30 as it's falling. As I'm in all this money, I'm still in a buy stop on this. Do not get confused on what's happening, okay? So there's a sell stop again, filling the gap on NAS. It's gonna drop down again for you, and you're gonna make even more money. Wow. Wow. Oh, I tell you guys, I'm gonna close down a couple of these and I'll come back. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Closing down some trades from today. Plenty of sunshine coming your way. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. Here we go. Let's go up here. Let's go down there. I have 2 long-term buys open on US 30. Da, 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 dum, da, da. I have a sell on SPX I'm closing. I have 2 buys on US 30, and I have 2 sells on US 30. Those are the only 2 trades I have open right now. Da, da, da. We'll get a pullback. When we get the pullback on the 1 minute, tell all your friends on TikTok and YouTube that you're about to make some more money on a sell. You're about to get more money on a sell. Probably even a buy later on today for sure later on, you will. As 1 minute is already filling the gap, already making more money. SPX is gonna come up so that we can go ahead and make some more money again. So you might wanna tell some family and friends, people you don't like, whatever you wanna do, and make some more money. Make some more money, it's coming your way. Make some more money. We gotta wait for SPX to pull back up, and then we'll make it. Do da do da do da do da do da dee. Look at this, what a great morning. I was in a meeting, there will be more. Oh, no, Kevin, I'm sorry, that happens. Yeah, no FOMO with us. You're not missing out on anything unless it's all these other trades. Good morning, Greg. There's no location that you didn't call that. Yeah, I didn't call it. As I'm writing it out, as I just finished writing this, beep, there it went to open and there it went down. There you go. The call down and then the buy stop is still gonna happen. It's just gonna take time today, that's all. Happy I purchased Safe Trade System, just need to track this. Thank you, Kevin and Brave. Patrick O'Neil, sounds good, my brother. All right. So fun times. There'll be another sell stop coming up here in just a few minutes. Well, maybe a while. It's kind of a slow day. What a beautiful open. Oh my God. We caught every pip possible on that sell. Every pip possible on the US 30 sell we caught. You hear what I'm saying? Every pip possible. Tell me that's not too freaking cool right there. Every pip possible. Pip possible, like impossible. That's pretty cute. Sell stop again, US 31 minute, or you can wait and just play the 5 minute, 15-minute buy stop. Depends on how you wanna handle this. You can either do the 1 minute sell stop or a 5-minute buy stop. I don't know. Pick your poison. Whichever one you feel comfortable trading, that's what you trade. 5-minute buy stop, NAS 100. 5-minute buy stop, SPX 500. Both of them are also sell stops, 1 minute. Pick your poison. Don't care. I'm not getting in those trades again. I have too much money. And this is a 1 minute 1 minute coming up, 1 minute sell stop, then you have a 5 minute. I mean, what more do you want? I don't understand 15-minute buy stop. Ah, this is so much fun. I'm glad some of you are listening. Very glad. I hope the rest of you start to listen. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for fun. Blah, 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 blah. There you go. Let me move this off. I mean, how much more perfect can you get? I don't know. Just a thing of when mm, whatever. Yeah. All right. Voyager. Kevin, how are you? I'm great. How are you, Voyager? Howdy, y'all. Thank you, Kevin. Another quick $10, $45 a day. So 100% right. Congratulations. Howdy, y'all. Congratulations. Congratulations. That's what I'd like to see. Beautiful. Sell stop coming up on SPX. Sell stop coming up on SPX. Oh, shoot. Sell stop on NAS 100. Sell stop on NAS 100 1 minute. Sell stop on NAS 100 1 minute right here. It's gonna be a fill in the gap, sell stop down. SPX, it's gonna be a fill in the gap, also down. I don't think we're gonna get it to come up enough. You're about to see NAS fall down again. Yep, there you go. And we're gonna see SPX also. So it's the same thing. I prefer this to hook up. I'm gonna draw it again. I prefer this to turn green, but I think this is a little too hard right now. I don't think you're gonna get this indicator, the takeout indicator to turn green for us. I think it's just gonna fill in this gap, and no, I'm not gonna explain that to you. That'll be explained at training. Bop, 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 bop. I see a buy stop coming for US 30 15 minutes. This should be I was over trading too. Correct. You should be done. Stevie Haynes, if you made 1 trade correct, be done trading today. If you made 2 trades correct, be done trading today. If you made 3 trades correct, be done trading today. Pros, the guys, Goroff, the one that makes $50,000 a day, Jay Cochran, the one that makes $150,000 a day, Tommy, who makes $10,000 a day, even Kimberly doesn't trade a lot. None of the guys who make tons of money a day trade more than once or twice. That's it. They're done. They go home and enjoy their lives. That's it. Now again, we're wanting these to pull back up, to be very careful entering these trades. I didn't enter these trades. I'm not going to, Marty, in the other trades. This is what we're wanting to see. We wanna see this on SPX, and we wanna see this on NAS, by the way. There you go. Da 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 da. Oh, Jimmy Hustle said, "Buy stop." Which one? US 30. US 30 15-minute. Yep, I believe I've been calling that out all morning. Let's take a looky. 15-minute. Yep. 30-minute. It's a 15-minute, 30-minute buy stop. But it's got see, it's down to its 1-hour line now. Now you can start looking at the buys. I wouldn't. It's a 5-minute sell stop. Watch. The SPX is about to get I'm telling you, that's just too far. I don't think you're gonna see these NASs and SPX give us the green. I just don't. 1-minute sell stop, all indices, 5-minute, 15-minute buy stops, all indices. Pick your poison, whichever one you want. I don't think we're far enough back down on the 15-minute on your NASs. I think you're still gonna see it fall down further. I really do. I think you're gonna see NAS come down, and I think you're gonna see SPX come down. These are filling the gap safety trades. Yep, that's what you're gonna see. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your enemies. It won't be your enemy if you can help them make hundreds and thousands of dollars each day. Boop, bop, boo da bee da. All right. So hopefully Stevie Haynes has been and happily much better today. And now he knows the exact trade he's only supposed to take. And he's seen it playing out live twice. That's all. Bop-a-dee, dop, dee, ba-dee, da, 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 doo, da, dee, da, dee. Anybody have any questions on TikTok or YouTube? That was fun. Yeah, let this come up arching over here. Let this come back up. I don't want you guys entering any of these trades yet until you see this come up. See this right here? Better. That's better. Okay, we do have it, but I'd be careful. I'd be very careful this sell stop. To me, this is you should already be in a buy stop, actually. Buy stop NAS 100, 5 minutes. Sell stop NAS 1 minute, depending on how you wanna play this. I'm not playing I'm not. I've already done enough trades. I'm already in my long-term buys. I have a couple of sells going in my, US 30, and I have a couple long-term buys going. Sell stop NAS 100 though, 1 minute. Do da do da dee, da do da dee da do da, da do da dee da, and I think US 30 is not gonna be arching up. I think it's just gonna keep going down. I don't think we're gonna get another one in. Do da dee da dee. Officially sell stop NAS 100. Well, is it official? Nope, because the bottom one hasn't changed yet. Can't get in it yet. Sell stop NAS 100, sell stop SPX 500. You're already in your US 30 and shouldn't be out of it and never threatened, so you should stay right there. Do da dee da dee. Do da dee da. Oh, Precious is up. Yay, Precious. Yay. Dot dot da da dot da da dot dot da da da. Were your ears ringing this morning? I was talking about you this morning. Nothing but good stuff. Da da dee da do da da da. All right. Well, it's been a fantastically great morning. You have a sell stop in place, but be careful because I truly believe you're gonna see this 5-minute, 15-minute, yep, yep, and then you're gonna be in a buy stop on this 5-minute, and that's on NAS, sorry. SPX is going to be doing the same thing, 1-minute sell, 5-minute buy stop. It depends on which way you wanna play it. I'm not here to argue with you. I know I'm in, 2 long-term buys for US 30, and I'm still in my sell for US 30, so that's all I'm saying. 1 minute's always formed first and then the 15 minutes, so again. Just do that with what you want. Do da, do da, dee da. I'm not if you're pushing my hand on the, SPX, I would wait for a solid entry on buy. That's what yeah, you're in the money on your look at NAS. Yep, absolutely, you're in the money on NAS, on the buy. And I would do the same thing, SPX is gonna follow, watch. SPX is gonna come up, doop, doop, watch. And there it comes. You never were engaged on your sell stop for SPX, and you never were engaged on your sell stop for your NAS. You can keep it there in case it decides it wants to flip around, sure. Just because we call a one-minute sell stop doesn't mean it becomes a one-minute sell stop. That is the whole purpose of using pending orders called sell stops. But again, keep your 1 minute available in case you wanna do a 1-minute sell. If you've already engaged on the US 30, for instance, let me get this back out here. If you've already engaged on this SPX, you're already up, I don't know, 2 or 3, 4 pips, take your money and get out. And if you haven't, you can always put a sell stop right underneath here and wait for the sell stop. 1 minute's form first, then 5 minutes. Now the NAS, there's nothing you can do about it. You can put your sell stop in for NAS, but it never really was an official sell stop anyways. You can put it there. And your buy stop should at least been here. And if you're up 8, 10 pips, or if you're up a little bit more than that, I would put it here, whatever, 10, 20 pips, whatever you're up, close down the trade. As a successful trade, professional traders only make how many? They only make 10 pips a day. Go back to SPX. Ooh, SPX might be hitting its little sell. If you put a sell stop here, it's gonna hit it. Watch, let it come down further. It's not ready yet. I put my sell stop right there. We'll just wait. If it comes down, it comes down. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Again, you can't control the market. We're just giving us really good odds of winning, okay? And there you are. You're in the money now. You're in the money on your SPX sell stop. You're in the money on your SPX sell stop and your SPX sell stop. Close down the trade. You can't do NAS. I mean, you can, but I'm not calling that trade. SPX sell stop, you're in the money on. I'm assuming US 30 is also going down. Yep, you're in the money on your US 30 even more. Your SPX sell stop is absolutely in the money. I just told you to take profit out of your 5-minute buy stop right here. I know people are gonna be bitching, "Ay, ay, 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 ay." I can't call this. You can't say NAS is a sell stop. I'm not calling it. NAS is a 5-minute buy. That's all I have for you. I can't call and did call that SPX is a 1-minute sell. And there it is. I don't know if you're up over a pip or 2 or 3, take your profits and get out of that trade. And of course, with US, there's nothing more we can do. We're just making money, printing money. Doop, doop. There it is. How much money? You're up 100 pips. Yep, I'm up over $900 on those 2 trades. Wow, 100 pips, 0.09 lot size. These are the trades. These are what I'm up. And I also have a buy stop on you 2 buy stops in US 30 actually. Da 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 da. Da 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 dee. La da 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 dee da. What is a buy stop? It's a pending order. Thank you. Awesome, Bree. Thank you, Bree. Oh, is Bree on? Yes. Is she? I don't see her. Trading 777 Joy. Oh, hi, Precious. Um, what is a buy stop? It's a pending order to put in a buy. So if it when it crosses over it, you make money. Let me see what Naz is doing. Yeah, Naz, I can't call a sell. The only thing I can call for that is a 5-minute buy. I'm sorry, you have to wait. SPX was an obvious sell stop, you're in the money. US 30, there's nothing we can do. You've already been in this trade as a fill in the gap. So, trying to get that 15 link. You have till the end of the month. We extended it to 5/1. Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Tracy. Good morning, Amy Lou. Xavier Frazier says gold. Gold. 1-minute sell stop, but it is a buy to the blue line there. 5-minute buy, 15-minute sell, 30-minute sell, blue line, 1-minute sell. 5-minute buy stop, but whatever on that. I'd play it any which way you want. Probably go 1-minute sell stop. How about DAX or German 30? That's big too. Those I hate German 30. I used to love it. It annoyed me too many times. I'm not touching it. Thank you, guys. Armando. Thank you, Armando. USD coming back up. US 30 coming back up. Well, we're in a sell. As I said before, it's a 1 minute to the 5 minute, by the way, is where it's getting to. It's not that line. Yes, we have a 15-minute buy stop in place, and a 30-minute buy stop ready to go. I'm in a long-term position on that buy also. There it is. Here's your 5 minute. Now I can call something out unofficially for you. It's gonna be a NAS, sell stop to its blue line. That's where NAS is going. So I'm gonna tell you that right now, but I can't call it officially. That's unofficial. SPX sell stop to its blue line, and that's where it's heading to. You're about to see that go down and touch that, and that's your SPX trade. Yeah, yes. And then US 30, it's going down to touch its 5 minute blue line, and that's where it's heading to. Yep, there you go. Looks like US 30 is gonna hit that first, and there's your 5 minute blue line, and there's your money. And we're currently up $1,000. Holy mo wow. That's nice. That's really nice. Right here is our trade off this trade right here. These are the ones I got in live with you. We're up over $1,000 each one of these. $1,000. By the way, just so you're clear. And I don't want anyone to see the balances in certain accounts. Certain accounts I don't mind. There's big accounts, smaller accounts. I have 7 of them. Certain ones I don't want you to see, certain ones I do. Fine. There you go. Over $1,100. You don't know where it's going. Yeah, we do. Oh, gee. And I also have a 2 long-term buy stops that are up tens of thousands of dollars on this trade, by the way. SPX is in the house. You have time on your NAS because the NAS is gonna fall down too, it will. And then you have time on your, SPX also. So don't forget you have 1 minute sell stops, all 3 indices, and like 55-minute, 15 minutes on the buy stops. There's your sell stop. Totally, you're in profit on SPX. You can close it down whenever you like. Um, hmm, hope everything's okay. What is a buy stop? How do you feel on US 30 coming back up? It will. Trying to get the scan for pricing and thank Armando. Good morning, sunshines. Oh, Precious, I just thought you said you weren't coming live. Precious is here. Oh, there you go. There's your SPX. See, this is all in the way. Let me pull this up, move this down here. So, let me just put it here. Like so. You can see the times in on those trades. And there's your profit right there. There you go. There's SPX heading down to its 1 minute. There's US 30. Watch NAS be falling too now. Watch. Here comes NAS. You're gonna see NAS come down towards its blue line, 1 minute. SPX is heading towards its blue minute, but I think you're gonna see US 30 hit its 5 minute first. Yep. You're gonna see its 5 minute first right here. There you go. Oh, is that a touch? Is that a touch? Do we have a touchdown? Let's see. I don't think so. Oh, close enough for horseshoes and hanger days. I might just close that one trade actually. One open. That is so close. 5 minute, close enough for me. Sell stop? Damn, who's out there? Sure hope that was Mike. I guess it is. Morning. Um, okay, Precious. Precious said hi to everybody. Yay. Hi. I don't know what he's doing here at this time. Oh, we do have touch. Touchdown, US 35 minute. It is perfection. Touched it. There you go. NAS is coming down as said. There's your NAS money, you're in the money on your NAS and your SPX. Let's see if SPX is touched. Oh, SPX is so close. Not sure if it's touched or not. It touched. Sitting here pretty money. Thank you, Cap. Score. How do you feel? Here, going back up. Hold on one second. No, sir, not at all. Yeah, 745 Lee Road. Yes, sir. Oh, that's down there. My brother down the road a little bit. Yeah, I'm on a live right now. I'm sorry. But right, just keep driving down. You'll see a little place. Yeah. Oh my God. What the fuck? My brother. Okay. Any rate, do we have touch on the blue line on SPX or no? Let's see. Um, a little bit and take a look. See. Oh, that's close enough. Absolutely close enough. I'm calling that one. SPX, you can close down if you have four, close one down, keep one open. Let me see what NAS is doing. Look at that free money for NAS. Told you NAS is coming down. I told you NAS is coming down. Told you. The other two did. You just have to trust the system. That's what's called blue line trading. Horseshoe touch. Yep, there you go. Close enough, ran with it. SPX 1 minute blue line. There you go, Shannon. Congratulations. Look at SPX blue line touch. Look at the 5 minute blue line touch on the US 35 minute. And Levy says he says it touched. Did you see my email for the scanner? I'm sure Team Lane, that you did. Yeah, she'll Bree will absolutely follow up with all that stuff. She's superior. She doesn't miss anything. It's going to do it. So there you go, guys. That's called blue line. Totally get the blue line trade. Marty M. Yay, Marty M. Marty M is catching on. There you go, my friend. Way to do it. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Beautiful. US 30, look at that. 5 minute, boom, boom. And I'm just wondering, right? 1 minute, play the 1 minute sell stop while heading back down to the 15 minute 30 lines. Gee, someone said that about, I don't know, 3 hours ago. When did I start going live with this thing? Anyone at all? How long have I been on this thing? 2 hours ago. Oh, that's well, I've been on longer than 2 hours. I'm calling BS on that. It's gotta be close to 3. Howdy, y'all. Howdy, says, "Howdy, y'all." Awesome. Well, congratulations to everybody that's making money. Very happy for y'all. That's my whole purpose of being here. Totally get the line. And I write 5 minute, 15 minute buy stop SPX. Let's go to the SPX and take a look. Yep, but we have a little bit. It's more like it's gonna be a 15 minute, 30 minute. See, it's coming down to its 30 minute right here. 1 hour. How are we away from? Yeah, it's gonna come down to its 30 minute right here. I would change that into about a yeah. I mean, technically, yeah, it's a 5 minute, 15 minute, but it's gonna become a 15 minute, 30 minute here shortly. That's what you're Yes, you're correct calling what you saw, and that's correct. I'm just trying to help you see a little further out on that one. And there you go. Look at that. NAS is shooting down to the blue line. Hmm. I wonder boom, that is an absolute touch on SPX. Absolute touch. The first one to hit with US 30, the second one to hit was SPX. Guess what that leaves us? Bing. Boy, is NAS pulling up the rear. It's right almost there. It's almost touched already. Wow, great day today. Thank you, says Sam I am. You're welcome. Pablo Lee says golden 1 minute sell stop activated. Sounds familiar. Thank you, God. Bree System. Shannon Ivory says, perfect. Thank you. Unlearning at the same time. I know you have to unlearn everything you thought you knew about trading. For it. Have Shanaz and SPX hit for 5 minutes? No, that's not necessarily the case. D nice. And as a matter of fact, if anyone's still trading after the US 30 call that I made, after the SPX call that I made, and after the NAS 100 call that I made, you're trading too frequently and you're gonna get your ass handed to you. You need to trade 1, 2, 3 times a day, that's it. 1, 2, 3 times a day, and that's it. Get the hell out of the market. The more the I know, I wanna trade 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Sure you do. Get out of the market. I just made you hundreds and thousands of pips, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Literally in front of your very eyes, I'm up $2,800 just from a trade I told you. By the way, I'm still in a long position on US 30, just 2 of them. Nia's blue line touch. Boom, there's your blue line touch. Team lane. No, ma'am, I did not. Make sure you know. Oh, thank you, precious. Yeah, I just hit the blue line. There you go. You're welcome. So how many pips did Kev call out for you today? Look at it go down. I made you 60 pips on NAS. I made you 50, just say 20 on SPX. I made you holy shit. I made you that's 80, 200. I made you 280 pips and counting on these sell stops. Boom, there's your touch. Let's see what SPX is looking like. Oh, it might. Look at NAS. And who called these out? What system called these out? By the system. Tell your friends. Teach your children. Teach your nieces and nephews, your brothers and sisters, your aunts and uncles. Teach everybody how to trade. We all can make money together. This isn't all about being greedy. If it was, I'd have kept it to myself for the first 2 years and kept it now. I'd have never shared it with you all. I brought it out to you all so we all can make money. Buy the system for someone that can't afford it. Buy the system. Look, thesafetytrade.com. Buy it for someone who needs it. Can you imagine teaching a 16 or 17-year-old child the skills that when they turn 18, that they can actually make money whenever they want or have a really good shot at it, right? Can you imagine the power you give them empowerment you give that child or your niece or nephew or your son? Say you took the you bought the system for someone in your family that was 17, right? Right? A neighbor that was 17. You taught them how to trade. All of a sudden, they're 18. It took them a year to learn. Do you not think that they would be a millionaire by the time they're 21? What's the difference between you, for instance, Stevie, who's saying, "Oh, I can't get it." Even if it takes you a year to learn, Stevie, a year to learn, which it cannot possibly do, but if it did, and it took you 1 year to learn, and then 3 years to become a millionaire, well, there's your answer. Learn the system. Learn it. Instead of I don't know how to tell you this. You've learned enough in any training, people that have had one-on-one training with me, that you don't need to ask to learn how to trade. The trading is inside own your small group training session with me. You know enough to make all unlimited money from that training session. Do not ask people how to trade when it's in your own small group video. I swear to God. At any rate, I strongly suggest before you ever ask for help, you rewatch the video 50 times a week for 1 month. Then you trade SPX only for 1 month, and then you can trade whatever you want. I might even demand that of all of you. I might take away Discord access for 1 month. I might take away everything from you for 1 month. That's how annoyed I'm getting with not everyone, but there's just weirdness going on here. Y'all have been taught the same way. I've taught over 700 and something of you, every time the same way. You all know enough to make money with my training. I promise you, you do. Whether you take the time to learn it is entirely up to you. Mm. 1 minute still stop, by the way. SPX did hit its blue line. That was perfection. Howdy, y'all. I mean, what system called out perfect trades? What's up, user? What system? The system we're using to make money, everyone here, it's called the safety trade system. I thought I literally had it up in front of you, actually. My son is about to buy a system. Awesome bootlegger. This is life changing for me. God bless. Thank you, Sam. Grab 36 pips is enough for me to be done today. No need. Great job, Adrian. Congratulations. Yeah, just hit its blue line. Awesome. That's fantastic. Thanks, Kev. Just made 733 pips on oil. Holy shit, Dennis. What did oil do? What oh, there you go. Oil was a 1-minute sell, 5-minute sell stop, 15-minute, I'm assuming 15-minute sell stop to the blue line. That's what oil did. Look at oil. Ah, okay, here we go again. One more training session for everybody. What is this? And what area where is it going to? Hint, hint. There it is. Thank you, Dennis, for bringing this up. Red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line. Boom. That looks exactly this exact same thing is what gold looks like on the 15-minute chart yesterday. Oh, look at the gold's fucking around. I don't care. Look at gold yesterday. The exact same thing, 15-minute. Surely it couldn't have happened twice today on US 30, the exact same trade. But guess what? My name isn't Shirley, and yes, it did. So yes, it did. It happened twice today. There it is once to the blue line right here, and this was a big movement, by the way, and this also was a big movement. And there you go. So whenever you see the red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line trade, take it. Thank you so much for telling me that. Thank you, Deb. Blue line, thank God, system, buy the system. Thank you, Greg. Absolutely buy the system. NAS 1-minute buy stop. Let's see what we got going on over here. Oh, no. NAS? Minute buy no, Sam, I don't see that at all. Not on NAS. No, sir. I'm sticking to SPX, though NAS has been my favorite. I love NAS. I only traded NAS and ERUSD for a year and a half. It's the only 2 I traded. Yep, until I got, really good afternoon, Kev. Good afternoon, Monique. Great trade to Dennis Nader, Shannon Ivory. Dennis, look at gold. What the fuck? Let's take a look at gold. Look at gold. What the fuck? Bam, baby. 5-minute buy stop on gold. 30-minute sell, 15-minute sell stop, 30-minute sell stop on gold. And don't give me any shit. It dipped down enough for you to make money and get out of that trade. If you lost money, you were a greedy pig and you deserve to get slaughtered. Take that to the bank. 4-minute with the 4-hour buy stop. Kimberly Harrington has been waiting for this 4-hour buy stop patiently for at least, I don't even know, a week. She's been waiting for this thing to go up for a week. So if you're saying what the fuck, you have no clue of what you're doing, Brian. You're just going crazy. Last SPX 1-minute sell stop is picture perfect, just like yesterday's train. So thank you for finding the system. Yes, John C. The 1-minute SPX is 100% picture perfect. It came, formed, arched back up down to blue line. This is the exact same trade that you see right here, that little pin drop right there, that little thing, as what US 30 was earlier. These are the trades you take. Don't take other trades, especially when you're a beginner and you don't know what you're doing. This is the trade you take when you see this and this, or even SPX that's currently at. Those are the trades you take. These red, 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 green, red, red to the blue line. Those. Don't look at any others until you become way better. Howdy else is just have to stick to the rules and have patience with the system. Yes, sir. Here are my $2 to another trade in Discord to show people patience and don't be greedy learning phase. Correct, Howdy all. Thank you. You don't have any losses yet, Howdy all? How many trades have you had, Howdy? Last SVX airplane blue line, don't come. I did do that. No one picked up on it but you, Dr. McKay. Man says health family. Oh, don't call me. Brian McCain, Armando SPX 5-minute buy stop. I don't have any losses. At least 30 in the last 15 days of live trading. Holy shit. Howdy y'all over on YouTube, no, on TikTok, hasn't had any losses in 15 days, and he's traded about at least 30 times. That's incredible. But he's not getting greedy. He's taking his pips and his profits and running like hell. He's not getting greedy. My bad, sorry, meant full stop, got too excited. Off the blue line. Where was Sam? I'm sorry? Oh, yeah, the sell stop, yes, sir. SPX buy stop 5 minute. I'm sure it is, but it's not applicable at this point in time. 5 minute. Alright. It is about a 5 minute, but no, it's gonna turn into a 15 minute. Hell, it might even turn into a 30 minute. Okay, fine. Where were we? Um, Shiro US 30, please. Sorry, my bad. Doc left my ass off. All right. Let's see. All right. US 30. What about US 30? 1 minute sell stop fill in the gap coming up. 5 minute blue line was amazingly perfect. I don't know what you're asking. 15 minute, it's a 30 minute buy stop. It's a 30 minute 1 hour buy stop. Ooh, hold on a second. Let me see something. Yeah, it's gonna come down to there. It's coming down to it's gonna form a buy stop on the 4 hour blue line. That's what it's looking to, just so you guys know. It's gonna come down and touch or make a, 4 hour buy. I'm sure that's what it's time for it to, yeah. I thought I told you that this morning too. You're about to see this indicator turn red in time. It's gonna take a long time. What it's gonna do. This will turn red right here. That'll be your fake out one. That's the bullshit indicator. It smells out bullshit. And it's gonna be green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop, and it'll go back up again. That's what it's doing. It's gonna drop a little further though. Do, 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 do. There you go, Shiro. Already called out. Any calls at NQ at the moment? Trade out of the system right here is like no other. I know, right? Thank you so much for saying that. SPX has been good. Thanks, Kevin Bri. Yeah, it has been good. So you're looking for NAS? NAS is the same thing as the rest. I've been calling it all morning. 1 minute sell stop to the blue line, touched perfectly. You'd have made 60 pips if you listened to me. 5 minute buy stop, but it's gonna turn into a 15 minute buy stop. It's probably gonna turn into, quite frankly, you're gonna see it turn into a 4 hour buy stop. Come down a little bit more. Just on US 30. I'll do the same thing. We got the 2, then the 3rd one hit. Bam! Just perfection. I mean, they gave us 60 pips on NAS. The hell, they gave us US 30 this morning. It was printing money. It printed money, what was it, 3 times? Well, it was 5 minutes for sure, but it printed money once, twice, 3 times on US 30. That's crazy to me. Yep, all of it. Okay, I don't know how people text with their thumbs. It's really hard. All right. Anyone on TikTok have any questions today? Because I'm about to go. I'm heading over to YouTube. I'll probably stay on YouTube a little bit. Then I'm gonna make some final call outs for you. Let me go ahead and give you a good hint. US 30, 1 minute sell, stop filling the gap. 1 minute fill in the gap, NAS, SPX 1 minute fill in the gap. But there's some buy stops coming up, and I'll go over those on YouTube. Anybody have any questions on TikTok? Goes the clock. Ask away, please. I'm gonna go ahead and go here very, very, very soon. TikTok, TikTok, baby, TikTok. All right. Da, 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 da. Hope y'all made some money this morning. Da, 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 da. TikTok. D Nice, anything, howdy, anything, Vance, Neville's, good morning to you. Anything you got any questions about, anything about the system? Final time I'm gonna say this on TikTok, please, for the love of everything you hold dear, buy the system. Learn how to trade. And more importantly, I never taught you this, but once you learn how to trade, if you teach someone else, it actually helps you learn to trade. That's how you do it. So if you bought the system for somebody, you teach them how to trade, you'll be better with it. Sell stop safety trade.com. Okay, $575, boom, there it is, sell stop. Now, are we gonna do this? This is safetytrade.com, $575, just buy it so you can learn the sell stops like this, right there. There you go. There it is. Here it comes again. Fill in the gap, sell stop, regular sell stop, safetytrade.com, learn it, get it, buy it. That's all I can tell you. Doot, 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 doot. I'm sorry. I appreciate you. I guess you don't have to apologize for that, but there you go. All right, Ticker Talkers, heading over to YouTube. Thank you. Hey, what's up, Ken? I hope you made some money this morning, Ken. Boosted my win streak, no loss. Johnny Bird, fuck. Damn, Johnny. Congratulations. Congratulations. Now remember, Johnny, a lot of people start off hot, they get cold, and you have to come back and get the system, don't give up. I hope everyone else is good. Even Allison, bless everyone. Thank God. All right. Thank you, Kevin. Have a great day. Ken, I'm heading over to YouTube, brother, but thank you for watching as you always do. All right, TikTok, we're out of here. All right. Done with TikTok. Yay, I made it another day. I've officially made it over a week. Yay. Where? Oh, let me go over to, I'm told to go over to an email. Let me see what I can see. Martin, all right, this trader, share if you want. Whoa, Martin, are you trading this on, can you ask him if he's trading this on, is he trading on holy shit. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. Hold on. Is he trading on, is he trading on a, okay, I'm not speaking English, am I? Is he trading in a demo account or is this real? That's either way, that's fantastically incredible. Absolutely incredible. Let me pull it up real quick. This is one of our members' trades. I don't know if this is a demo account or a real account, but either way, it's still very, very impressive. Let's put this over here, but I don't need to. So you guys can see this. Make this a little larger. Sell stop, sell. 8,000, 1,400, 1,000, 1,800, 147, 70, 1458, 232, 1162. Ha! Martin. Holy shit. That is fucking fantastic. Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm wondering if that is a live account or if that's a demo account. Thank you for pointing that out. Well, I have to go down there, get the mail, get the mail, get the mail. So many. Okay. Now, where is my phone? I can't see my Okay. Now, let's see what we got over here. Alright, so that's his trades. Let me knock that down. Sorry, I didn't mean to get that up. Got a little carried away. Alright, sell stop still in the gap, US 30. Boom. There she blows. Sell stop fill in the gap. Nas 100. Sell stop fill in the gap. You guys thought you were done. You just made hundreds and hundreds. Gosh, that's crazy. What a thing of beauty. Tiny bird. Wow, size 2 lots. Size 2 lots. Yep, 2 lot sizes are huge, as you guys know. But, I have guys who've traded US 30 with 10 lot sizes. Look at the trades. Look at the trades. Amazing. Just amazing. Look at it. Bam. Alright. Anybody have any questions? Yeah, this is good. They all were givers. I hope you guys understood the fact that US 30 broke first, which led me to see when that SPX was gonna break its blue line on the 1 minute. Then when NAS and when that US 30 SPX broke, they literally gave us these 60 pips to the line. Well, hell, it's now 80 pips. Look what they're giving us. This is incredible. Just incredible. This is a fill in the gap, US 30 1 minute. This is a fill in the gap. NAS called out, by the way, 1 minute. This is SPX 1 minute. Look at this. I don't know. I hope everyone loved it. Everyone how many people on stage? I don't know what that means. God bless. Thank you for teaching us and sharing your system. You're welcome, Kimberly. Tell them how many people lose money. Tell them Steve. Oh, tell them Kevin. I don't know who loses money. On a daily? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna go ahead and say no one that uses the system properly loses money. If you don't use it properly, I can't help you with using it properly, yeah. Thank God. Thank you so much. I would say we're probably close to like a 99% win rate, to be honest with you, but just saying. Those are live. Holy crap. Those trades I held up are live. Ooh, we got a new player in the system. Wow. Damn. Good for him. Great for him. Wow. Those trades I held up was real money. Real money. Holy shit. Oh my gosh. In general, outside of the system. Oh, how many lose? Oh, they 99% of it's not 97, I used to think it was 97, it's actually 99% of all traders lose money. It's not 97, not 99. It's not 97, it's 99, maybe. This is it right there. I can actually pull this up. Not d Studies have shown more than 97% of d traders lose money over time, and less than 1% are actually profitable. So it actually means break even or less, but 99% of all traders lose, period. That's interesting. Yes, yeah. I wasn't following you there. What is he trying Congrats, big player. Brian Reels, 99%. Yep. Damn, man. In general side. Yep, there you go. That's how many. And yeah, so this gentleman over here was playing with real lots, and these were his trades. Let me go ahead and go ahead and zoom. So these were real trades he made in a real account. Uh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I'm not sure on the total there, but roughly speaking, that's about 18 grand. Trading lot size. Fuck me. Oof. No, I'll do that on, like, ERUC, some shitty ass things, but I'm not doing it on that, no. Wow. Wow. He held some pretty good too. Well, that one was short, couple pips. Oh, if he could hold like me though, oh my god. That man be richer than God right there. Good job, Marty. That's fantastic job, by the way, not just good, fantastic. What's up, Jamie? Alright, I'm gonna leave you all then unless somebody has some questions. We're obviously look at this money. I can't even get out of this. I don't know what to tell you. I'm gonna tell you this, it's gonna go down and touch the 4-hour, and then it's gonna come back up. It's gonna make a 4-hour, let me write this down for you guys so you're clear. It's going to make a all 3 of these, by the way. Matter of fact, let me take this one. Can I take just partial? Yes. So you're in a period, you're in the, 1-minute sell stop, there's nothing you can do about it. But let me go ahead and get this, straightened up. Alright. All 3 sell stop till 4-hour buy stop is formed. I'm gonna go ahead and I can make that a 1-hour, 4-hour. Hold on, I'm gonna go to 1 hour, 4 hour. It's gonna do one of other, but it's probably gonna go to the 4-hour to be honest with you, slash 1 hour slash 4-hour buy stop is formed. Then, just so you're all clear, so you're like, "Well, what do you do then?" Well, then that's a buy. And buy stop all 3. And that's for NAS, SPX, US30, okay? So that's what it's gonna do. Telling you out ahead time what it's gonna do. I can draw it out if you want me to. If you really, really want me to do this, I will. Let me go. I think NAS better. Close to SPX is better. Yeah, SPX. Yeah. All you're gonna see is this on the 4-hour. Let me see the 1-hour real quick. Yeah, or 1 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour, I don't care, whatever. You're gonna see green, 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 red, green, green, and then it's gonna come back down all the way to here, somewhere in here, then it's gonna arch and come back up, okay? So that's what it's gonna do on SPX, that's what it's gonna do on NAS, and that's what it's gonna do on 30. Boom. Yep, that's it, Johnny, that's what blue line trading is all about. You wait for 2 out of the 3 and do it. No swap fees. You already won. NAS 5-minute blue line. Oh, let's take a look at NAS, sorry. Busy doing all kinds of other shit. NAS, NAS blue line, 5 minutes. Is that what it was told? Let me see. Is it Oh, wow. Holy shit. It touched its 5-minute blue line. That means SPX has not and will? Nice catch right there, beautiful. Yep, there you go. Money, 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 money. There you go. Everyone remember to thank God, do good with your money, and have my back, okay? look at that. Just look at it. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm happy. Alright? So does anybody have any questions, concerns, or comments? Would any like to give thanks to anything? I'm just saying, this has been fantastic. Ooh. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get out of here then. I think everyone's happy with the system. I think everybody's happy with their results. Da, 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 da. Oh, yeah, you can't post when I'm live. Sorry, I know you guys are being nice, but you can't post when I'm live. Da, 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 da. Alright, I'm gonna leave you guys with that thought. 1-minute sell stop. Wait and play each 1-minute sell stop until it goes down to either the 1 hour or 4 hour buy stop, and then it will flip around. Let me look at it again just to make sure I'm seeing this. Oh, yeah, 30-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. Oh, I'm seeing 4 hour for sure. So that's before I buy, and that's what I would do, and that's what I'm calling out. Those are my final signals for you. Alright, guys. Thank you all for being here. Thank you, Kev. Thank you, Joe and Cindy. Hope you made some money this morning, Joe and Cindy. Shannon, thank you for being here. However you need to do another podcast interview. Sure. Whenever anyone asks, I do it. I don't care. However you need to do another podcast. Kim, maybe you're the best. Thank you, Candle Envy. Kim, she makes the best candles, by the way. They're so cute. I love my safety trade candles. So cool. Thank you, Shannon. Happy with the results for sure. Says I bet you are, Eric. Private user, great hearing your personal stories. Oh, okay, cool. No, sure. Jamie Herbal, I will learn like you do. Yeah, it's pretty fun, and by the way, these 2 cells that we're in, I'm in 2 buys with US 30 still too. Thank you for this. Tanny, thanks, you're welcome. Maria, okay. Monique, thank you, Kev Bri and God. Alright, guys. God bless you all. I will see you in a little bit later. Bye, bootlegger. I will see you probably a little bit later today, as a guest.